Me va chop pass am it here. Na obi aka cham say me first camera oba double scan am me. Adam nyina na.
Prof, mama was.
What's a Ghana? Yeah, the food pay too much.
Asem we dey mama kan boko wonder to.
Adan.
On say enkofo na ayo omko abosom so koji sika.
Yeah.
Omkokum krofo koji sika.
Yeah.
Na me pacho.
No mkum krofo.
Yes say.
What so mkum? Oh so mkum. One uka radio so na wodo. Radio so na wodo.
Enkofo kum krofo. They take your part. Allegedly. No, me that's it. I'm doing it.
That's fine.
Allegedly. Jitwan krofo part the command. Na me point ni say.
Yes.
Baby a odi sika na ekona kwa na odi sika na odi part ni command so nye sika drum mount. It's a cry net down asase konto obi down. Onto asase da.
Hwemedi.
Woni. Wedi
Scan.
Wedi.
What's we Bible church? Wow, who ye nipa na tie me na wie a. Ma woni nti. It about his voice. Ma woni nti.
Woni nti.
Then na do for repay. Now wo na grada we aka kire o say. Fasika bra oba do musika na ma. Now so Jimmy, excuse my language. Now they are caught.
Deche.
And
na man panifo nyina wo mu. Panifo chochoro.
I just don't get it. And it is not a grada alone. So I will share your TV network no so. Your satellite network no so. One doso.
So who regulates these people?
That's the question I was just about asking. Why they regulate this microphone? No, but this time around, no. Your friend is saying, Minister Titiano.
Sam
George. The Minister for Communications. We are knocking at your door. Sompa. Some microphone in Nano. Take them off our screens. Now, baby, I'm a free buy. Now, Kwebi, or Madame Fo. Actually, na me hu say what the tuma kuruniti what the TV so why your malam na akwa
we hey
I dey share na me friend am ka just baza
so nya de oye da
me no be share am o say abochi na say Ghana for say be pray there say ebi mu modamba yo ka share be no ebi mu modamba until mo bu tie na wi ye ka share mu say fa sika be double sika bi ani bebia na adwumaden na wo so ye na wonya wosika ma wadwen anya adwuma ye ka say adwumaden a anya hoden say deke brain power, let your brain power work.
That's right.
One more with TV so abuka say fesika be sika no they are using their brain power.
O kwatri kwa so be mount my ahwini din tie.
What I say? One say they are using their brain power. One more abuka say fesika be sika no omo use omo brain power.
We so margin.
What dream?
That's right.
And it's a wow bontia utiem sesia na malambi so for be catch yourself fesika be sika si who.
Obwa.
Si who?
Ontida.
Na
asofo bi yo.
Sa.
Anya malam fon kwa.
Sa.
Oh asofo bi e.
Asofo be.
Oh, me.
Oh, that say so asofo no there. Say no, oh say asofo juba na class akasa na excuse my language, a bit cheap. Obia obehu Bible, e mu lines too pet. Wa fa Bible na ha. Also asofo. The self-acclaimed pastors, some of them, I'm not saying all of them. Some of them. I'm not saying all of them. Why must it be so?
Baba for you say.
Me kwa sorry be o baby sometimes I don't blame Omo folly prey to those scams or emanating from software malams. Sometimes you can get a situation. You can be involved in a situation, situation no. So what you want? Now when to miss in that situation no. So when to me anti-team. Now when ya adamphobia baka choso besimi yenko Kristo. Now konya ba kubi baka choso so
akwabi se baby wa hase yenko.
Wewu.
Ya be no mo
rough.
Say or patronizing on your situation no. All the situation aba. Or dwell on your situation.
So I don't know. I think the NCA. Yes, the National Communication Authority. They must wake up. They must wake up. Yeah.
wo hwe sene omo operating na we say they reside on nkofo frustrations and desperation.
Yeah, but that was what I was just saying.
Yes. Also be I desperate there. Koyewe no akoye koyewe until the moment omo beba na waka bibi enza de bi an commission so eba ehun me hu say ubewu that we nipa be na nsuro wu ntoka wu to so a the obey no be de ben obey na ho ti wa
but Charlie
what you memos ka
me ba cho wa wu tie bi sesi a wa wo hwem wo Facebook tie ne amika say me chiro in the midst of troubles in the midst of turbulence there is only one solution. And that solution is God.
Bonsema.
Perfect.
Yeah. In the midst of troubles.
Yeah. In the midst of troubles.
Turbulence.
Turbulence.
There's only one solution.
There's only one solution.
And that solution is God.
And that solution is God.
Abochie 2025.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It's true.
Sufra unyami. Sa omwa na se nyami pa. Even a match day, tell you say, sufra nyami.
Sure.
Because as I say, it's so I get my heart in you. I get me sick of you. I get my home for you. I get me nim dear be. I get adomo. The grace of God. It takes the grace of God to navigate the challenges in this world.
Prof, Daniel 11:32. I said, they that know their God shall be strong and do exploits.
And that horrible.
They that know their God.
And to the one sorry, man, I'm 40 TV so I comforted TV so now. Jesus, me can't say gra. Now, omo kacha busa mo face camera. Now, mo Jessica. Hey, azan nobody.
I'll grow money.
So just thank to God and everything will be nice for you. Me, I never be believing, you know. Yes. Me sorry no pa. Me say, oh, change your pon, my stress. Me say, nyami uye heavy. Great to nyam. Me say, nyami uye. Me man nyami fast yeah, nyami say enesu be pio.
Onyamios.
Dia medi.
Yeah.
Me hu bambo. Sama ko me ba. Aban ma ne bi ntome. Mpetu embaba ba kwemu. Yareda ho. Charlie. In this life,
o secret no pa. Even there, asema wa kan dey say abi bi ma drink ko. Dana ejato Mono. Akukudru at the time.
Oh no, me. I commune with God. Exactly. One thing we would have to learn doing. Say, sometimes in your silent mood, you can be communing with God.
Yeah.
Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. And every time I assemble told. There were two voices. One voice, I am very loud. Oh, quiet, bono. Then you hear another voice. Membono. Sa enekete no. That is the voice of God. But the can't say quiet no. Bronsam no. When we akete sebi nam ha. Which is a girl with your form.
Osafo de no.
Osafo de the form akasa.
Osafo de no.
Girl you are form.
Na nne mi hu no ne nam.
Sir, me say girl you are form.
Ewurade.
And then me say ba ho. After me and me no. O say abuchi friend ko jin number.
Oh sir.
After me ticket we bi.
Jai.
Menko. They be say ba menko. God is talking to me. I said, no,
Prof, what's up with Jimmy?
What was that? What is that? I perform. And the action, no. I didn't call prison or buy, you know, and obey suffer. Now, what am I doing?
Or comfort now,
or suffer. Or we are body. body no ko wi ayo na akofa body no wo fuom ho no ono ma me esua sa de no o say oteni bi say body we die obi ani fa body we obi ani fa ana ni bi so ka zenze wait no fa body de chino
you ready bedi kwasi
I say ready bedi kwasi asem Actually, the American job is there, sir.
We want come here, we come here 5 years.
Kwaba. So, oh, suffer. Hey, David, Michao, Dave, Michao. Suffer David, who ni me? But Michao, but no one is suffer David. Oh, sorry, no. Suffer David, Michao. But you wait till I say, and by one will be my bio.
Oh, Hong Kong crowd, what mu. Oh, Srawo Sao Casa Chlemia. Aminti wuni ye pa.
Eto de bia ho. Na ye de bia ye sere, na ye de bia ye futu.
That's right.
You what you say?
That's right.
Because Friday me boa.
Yeah, na Friday. Na boja ye.
And na mortuary market day.
Hey, prof.
And na mortuary market day.
Prof.
And na de make na me boa.
No kwepa asem na wo kan say.
Wo mo da mortuary ho no.
No kwe o.
Wonchen omu
of we do American much massive
me say what more da bochire ho no wonchen omu wonchen omu obi
bi sure
wo akwa you obi omochire no also think that ade beche no wo so ye ba you afri no so what I say until abrabo a wuti wiase a wo bo no bo abrabo kronkron na wu a bebia wo soul no be kono na ho de hia Sompa FM. C'est un ketesi a mabay. Ejaman.
Adokro mo say.
Ah. Un ketesi a mabay. Orisi anu apete. Oh no ejem yo.
Omo pe den ne dia umbedi.
Eje dia ne dia umbedi. Aka dia umbedi ne nko ade a. De eje dia umbedi. Brazilian hair. iPhone 16. Ni mpaboa kese. Perfume sa kese. Eno no mo pe emema so a we ndu boni num red
shisha
o say teacher eno so yere
I say
the obuda fa
durubem
no so why
engusie na ochikom
you don't do that to yourself you don't do that to yourself ejere abusua de e ka kire mu nyina no say de ato agrada no wo ebetimi ato e ma ne nyɛ ode enra wotie eye sofuku chacha
your friend's sleep is your sleep
uyonko da ene woda until we only admonishing you but you know mama can say endpoint homeopathic clinic abusia e ho na akwa abusia say wa yare na wada ho akampem na wuntimi nsore bomoding na mama obusuafo emfa nko endpoint homeopathic clinic sanje hokra na yede wo bekọ a wo mo telephone line mi de beto dwa wo betimi afro mo o ma be hwe wo yade wo fie wa wonya stroke waka dan mu ana se wutie mi na wonya nyoyie wo ye bema no nhye da nye dwuma papa obi o so ogenso obre prostate yade e ya dokro ana opeso wo awo no so ma bema bi so o boss so asesa fo kata piaw wajem me pato bomodem pa endpoint homeopathic clinic eno ebeka wasama ma omo bo adwuma papa yare kwankro wo de form akira o mete ne tede ama me pato tie ne ye endpoint homeopathic clinic in Kran ha wo be hu omo Shell signboard Spinters Road Kumase omo kronom abrohia sasona wo person ni oni din komo a 0244 86 7068 02742 34321 endpoint homeopathic clinic ukwa obenya wa yare santem na ye ka aduane pa eja aduane pa ni se wakoto aduane a aduane na benya aduane a magie enimu aduane a yedi natural spices yedi garlic yedi akakadro yedi jene yedi prepre yedi enya ntosu so apro dosu na moko apro
hajia
osuro nyame ti Hajia special local food e na na wi ye kan food amount se mpo no pe banku ni tilapia pa na odi bi be fi ha mi di pa na say na say aduane ebi ni mu ye chain bio
na ye solid
me catchro na okro soup tuo zafi wache jollof fried rice jollof rice kokonte aprapransa me pacho Hajia special local foods ebeye edi amao na saka ebio se woni ye juma free anopa non watwe kopem anwumre non watwe empemu na ohwemo eye social media no so a wo mo Facebook, TikTok, Instagram na ho nyina akwa eye Hajia special local foods na mpodo uye birthday anase wonya ye bi a woye obehia se ebe no aduane dia ma wedding na woye obehia eye order bombarding sesi ana frɛ Hajia special local food so Hajia special local food I was 024 63 59921 053 54 84 392 again read them on 059 47 97 215 Hajia special local foods eduan papa fie no na mpono wo fie na wadwodo na holiday un person be pie kra wo from a delivery ebeye juma ama also what the ho am na ye so wo beto electronics no to de aye papa wo beto electronics no to de aye papa Electroland Ghana Limited hono ko abenya electronics aye krojen kama durable ebe chere ye di amawo say ye Nasco product say ye media product Samsung product now here bombarding na for we chere Electroland Ghana Limited but akuku sha kuna mi afima fime mi electronics nyi tokpogale misira fime mi electronics nyi tokpogale your TVs, your air conditions, your fridges, your washing machines, kettle, rice cookers, microwave, any blenders in Ginano, bombarding pana for nature, Electroland Ghana Limited. Obacha kwang ewo Techiman, Biane Baxo de Dishen, Enimu, ewo main Kumasi station ho, Kumasi, Oberhumo Kasi Junction, Tech Junction, in Krang, Omo Dental Barrier, Dansuman Runabout, Industrial Area, Biane Melcom Plus de Dishen. They also have offices. Sunyani, Mankesim, Kepco, Stakrade, and Tamale. Reach them on 0245 94 94 95 0245 94 94 95 Electroland Ghana Limited. Amenibi Kwe Eye Bruta Yano Yata Ekodo He Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. And them some account who so much with that. Now Dr. Time Daso Dr. Time Daso me pacho sangrovo we sell ya de bruta as madam for bia na de sisi ye ne ya o de ko ya na obote ne te ba ko bi so a na o se ne moja na aburo so hypertension just say ne moja na aburo so okoho se wade ne ho on da duro bia so ente pacho so te me nkan de nwumre yare kwanko bia dokro say stroke usisi na ya ujonku say yes chire yade ana bema no nanse na husuo no hu ne yie bomodin pana for we chire medimafo herbal center Dr. Time Daso malaria and typhoid say am yade ebi na makwakoto Dr. Time Daso Dr. Time Daso Fred was 0244 774282 0500 7215 nkran ha wo mo pokwase mayira kumase abokwa ebuakwa agogo bia the government school ne din hwene mo Dr. Time Daso the Lord is our ultimate healer. When ejumuku a wan so ya sene ne wie ye dey for God and country no brabo ye twa ye ho abasesia ne ye ba nana giana e betena ase
Techimano foi Electroland abeja ye de munemu nyama pani nyina so abo we Thursday ya 10th April 2025 Brian showroom fufu na wo Kumasi Techiman kwane so
ye ni Roma sorry dino anase backsword ne die nimhwe
Property with Samsung TCL Media Nasco TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker any nyama papa ka hunyina na woni mbribi edikan for baako 50 ebenya 15% discount any achede enti brabetwa de kan ho na senya
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the obedient says a prostate. Na baby omutibi screening. Emma Huni etuasia. Na a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anasa a kidney, a liver problem. Bufa baby and adjo. Na the friend premature ejaculation. Maybe I want to do for Quaquisia. As a wood dinner huagro. As a wood tonte. Any a bra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na yamuao. A man mema mo power. A Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wamu de mufua. Yari bia infections been a woho. Anasa bia wosha wofa baby na adjo. Kidney problem, prostate dear. A Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Umase ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ewa kunuma boy here. Ena akra hansu sudie. Wamu jemu ankasa. Ewa spintes zebra friend share signboard no. Who do na ugusasa wope Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Obia ebetro. For Endpoint ewo 0244867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wamu demu Hatia special local food abakade enye diane ne diane o ye we diane ne we diane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve o ma wo ho se ye buffet ene o mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi e twa nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no die ntie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye diane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi enye ni bisa dabi Hagia suo nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si yebedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo se monfra Hagia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hagia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 eye 05947972115 for na would them
agofia hey brand new no edi na taro sa hu e fra no ahomeka heat patch so what yaw e wo hu ba bia na dia tare so e me tie wa bi na drum bra wo si ehi pain eye sister na yasi ari no na oda ho no enti we dey fat no na sister J ahomeka heat patch e tare wa yasi never few minutes and you're ready hey bra and you miss me the power after construction yeah not me back me leg pain how me pa and no na ma me papa and the kutia arthritis and the body pains and you must say ahomeka heat patch
hey bra ahomeka heat patch no I aduma pa me feel heat bi abra me tare no afa briti awa bi mo please na do me cry
I try do so say your back pain waist pain menstrual cramps and arthritis in one there use you ahomeka heat patch for the peps and oil it's a ginger and cinnamon and I at a phone call Alpha Duo Pharmacy Origin Chemist Pharma George Accra Palace Pharmacy Accra Buako Pharmacy Takrade Milk Chemist Takrade and Malarigo Pharmacy Tamale maybe after 0599802297 FDA agitating kratoyatum
Abusa for your mamunyina kwa baba Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country na asabri wasuguso ti mu adehia ewo eye bunu Easter mutie show ibi enkankan me Madam for Obeng. We want to say thank you very much for always supporting for God and country on Sompa 106.5 FM. Adishia watakwa yebeda mwase mwa nkran ha mutie yen so no yebeda mwase mwa muhwe mo Facebook. We want to say we are very grateful for your company. And again, wherever you are under the sound of this great voice, emanating from Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country, the Ekache Munadase Yami Enshamo. Ebraso Nana Jana Ewufie ha na eka Nana Jana dia. So what do we need to sunyani do mesuya? Nana ayenkoso hene wo ho. Nana bojuma papa. For when you call a year sunyane na kohwe de Nana ye ewo sunyan du mesuya ho. Hey! Na ye nyina anka etise wo man mu di anse ba na anka Ghana tise America wo. Se Nana nim die a ekwa no a wotimi di ye dwumai. Se me abochi e na me wo sa nim die ni bi. Patrick what ye do no so wo sa nim die ni bi. Wa wutie ren wo so wo sa nim die ni bi a ka ba na anka Ghana aye fefefe. It boils down to what we call leadership. Your leaders are we are asking, are they bereft of ideas or they have the knowledge? But bibi na esi omu kwan ni senti no eno mu ntimi nye adwuma na. That is why I'm asking question. because Nana Jana, as a single person, ya bono and kosohene, I was sunyan dumesia 2 years. Not difference about sunyan dumesia than our leaders. Please, we have cocoa, we have timber, we have gold. Then bio, and a Ghana yeni as of mine. Basabri, would we need children can have a beer? Time. I remember, sir, in one of the episodes I engaged in over here. Nanadi adwin susu yebi by say. Sankebeti mia ka yen engage the various assemblies. Now omo enter into some community, works. Yebeti mia pavement in our various communities. But some leaders, I believe, might have heard this. But omoada. In this country, our leaders, they are not selfless. Most of our leaders are not selfless. It takes a selfless leader to do what Nana has done. Nana Jana Yema Wakwaba.
Hey, Prof.
Bokore.
Last week, if you were
because did you baby? Baby, I don't know what now, only baby on me. Wow, what's me called Dami Mo? Now, final goodbye.
And so here.
And I'm going. Nana, I'll change the obo. So why the love for this color?
Not color. This is the first time I shall anyone. More different colors.
But why this color on this particular day matching white?
Today I have to wear white or light blue. So when I check through all the colors, I feel say we need white and echo. You know what I'm saying? Reason being what? No, because see, every day behind the color is okay.
Sadia no Nana can wa ho, but man chim ye.
The end is every day is governed by some kind of astral beings. And today biano. Say unya the colors are suited that day now. A boy as an individual. Until I'm the last baby by did the home come from Sunday all the way to Saturday. No, there are good colors. There are colors that are so very good. Then you say we are saying that honor are more spiritual than the physical. Now you know, it is very spiritual. Until with the colors, when it comes to colors, I don't play with it. Me friend Diagro because I've been following this for many years.
Wow!
And I'm the kind of person that say me I am a documentary no man at all.
All right.
And said that who say, and yes, you be now born in Sri na be now yebi. You should know why you're doing what you're doing. Until I'm that kind of person. So when it comes to colors and numbers, these are two things I'm very strong with. The minimum we didn't come about numbers about colors. Ayana me percent bribia no me pay attention because here I am mrao. Oh, is that again? I wear mra. Oh, mistake. I'm nobody. Science na universal laws so.
Wow.
So these universal laws, no. So be this one. Who this way, boy? One this way. At times, man, no more a little bit difficult. So we expect people say they should be able to follow universal laws. Today be no Angela or govern that day, and that's only the manager that day.
Wow.
Every day.
They be our
Angela on the vessel.
Oh no, vessel. Wow.
They be angels on the be out on the omope. E be ane the omompe. Enti say o follow normal angels and the pe. E boy man normal a little bit easier.
Oh, okay.
They are friend luck, ne chance no. These are normal. The angels no omo provide. Enti say you hear na you pay attention, we listen to them, we follow those principles now. A man normal easier kakra at the mind.
Wow.
So colors there till Friday, the best color for Friday no is white. And light blue. No, it's okay. Say at times, one share the good color of that day.
Yeah.
Now one share bad, so it's somehow better.
Okay.
The bad color for Friday. No, black and dark blue. What do I say?
Black
and dark blue on a Friday. You know, we share white here, we share light blue here. But in case it be a, we do my way into and I be with now we share different color be a, and black. I mean, any black, not any dark blue. Now, why share white and light blue? And I think say it's better than say, why?
Say black jeans, and I go for it now. Oh, but angels, Mr. Then they black jeans. Hey, but that's how it is true. Because somebody also said the same thing some other time. Say, I was saying, Nipe Biano, you pay attention to colors. Colors are wishing. Pay attention. But then I'm saying, Africa, and as a Ghana, we kakra we did. Fundu from. Oh, you were out now. Hey! Ayo, nana, you better answer you. So with me actually at debut because Friday should be white
and light blue.
Light blue, white, light blue, white, light blue, white, light blue. The Fridays be other. Me make sure say mention white and a light blue. Practically, I can't. And also remember, sorry, that for phone. Abochi, white, light blue, white. I don't want to.
But you know, I have a lot of my members. They have their own. Say from Sunday now all the way to Saturday, no. I want for him off head, you know. Why try and bought baby at the wardrobe war? The anopano say, Obeko Juma, quickly now we'll be able to see. But for us, because we've been doing for a long time, you know, yeah, we team.
Why conscious?
And we are conscious. Minyura, baby, meyata, the first thing comes to mind is what are the good colors? What are the bad colors? The first thing comes to mind. It's very important.
Very important. You know, just a bit of it. The panel per se. Ubechre colors the kakra. Monday.
On Monday, ubeti white.
Monday,
ubeti blue. Ubeti green.
Okay.
Ubeti crash pink.
Okay.
That's on Monday.
Okay.
But Monday, they don't wear red.
Monday, and you can also share red.
Because Monday is ruled by the moon. Then I find Monday, the day of the moon.
Okay.
The moon does not go with red.
Okay.
Tuesday, so. Tuesday, a mass new rule. So black here. What's your red here? What's your orange here? What's your pink as well here? But white, any yellow, and yet for mass MP.
Okay.
And about Wednesday, a bit to match brown, a bit to match gray, a bit to match blue, a bit to match green. Wednesday is so pink as well because Mercury does not go with pink color.
Okay.
And about Thursday is a bit to match golden, a bit to match yellow, a bit to match orange. Because that day night Thursday, no Thursday Jupiter MP purple. Over Fridays were white and light blue. One share black or dark blue because that day is ruled by Venus. Venus is emperor black and then dark blue. The over Saturday night, I know you're Saturn. Saturn moved it black and dark blue, but green. Green. So Saturday, so no green color is not very good. And about Sunday, we are dealing with Sunday, the day of the sun. I know you say, we are other into the red here, maroon here, pink here. Those kind of pungent color in but blue is not good for the sun. So it's simple. Do it me actually good to now.
Whatever that's I'm say a whole crowd on there. If we are very Sarfo cantanka be dim kobona a home kwano, ya pay the aya there. So what you say? You. Nana and menim say nkomo a PCD. Agrada issue one. The fight against Galamsey. The second. And then the third one here. A year 24-hour economy, no.
Okay.
And yen shall say with a year mammy agrada sentence, no.
Okay.
How do you see it?
Okay, thank you. Until my mentor, me share my home, my group members be brave.
Oh, okay.
So transformation for one in a match church, we hope so be a hoye. Na yen fast that so many uncle pons we my home na e be din komo. In fact, enra me trans ya into ya me be pon na me hu say a man for post online.
Okay.
15 years and say, what is that? Till we check his story, let me tell me who one of the channels, no. And then who say, I'm say, Mamma, or my sentence for 15 good years.
Yeah.
In fact, me nya brain ain't but that's the security wa bontiano. Dimity, in the first place, as a human, no, a hammer. Because you can say, you don't go to a fiancé even now, what you cry no. And ya dear therefore, yeah, you freedom of some na no maybe now yeah sometime you go out to fee and no any deny the question baby sir and unfortunately Ghana your prison houses and so
yeah.
I used to go there to go and do charity there me ko and come more money all that.
Okay.
Meaning say the hosity female world in that war in some I've been there several times at lunch near the lunch every day and say na me nkonkoye.
All right.
And when you go there and see some of them, no more common story I reho.
Oh.
Until when I heard this, I felt bad. Say, hey, Obi ono ade ne ho saa. Aha, so this is it.
Yeah. Ejetiefo Abotire nsisi ano uko SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Your Facebook page Kalesa ma ono ubehu no ho. The day bia ne the color no. I'm saying ni nyina ewo ho. Transformation color of the day. Ebusuante bomode pa na ko your Facebook wo na ko hwe sisi a.
Thank you very much. Obi ko bit me screenshot no
yeah, it's Accra na me.
And in fact, me tell na ha me pa say me no I'm the kind of person that no matter how bad and evil obi tie me mom pa say obi nkwa manem.
Okay.
Ti me hu so obi kwa manem a na ha me. Nti me tie no ha me say maame no bibisa ato. I don't want to know much about what caused his problem. But if you say ocho de ho na preocupa na yese ko da fiase for 15 years nya ade a eda fam me krom dumasia ye odua bi wo ye fe no se nipa enkyere mia yes
eduane
din no wo nti ma ma ko dumasia na du dumasia ho a ahemfe nanim ho duane esi ho no and people assume say edua se bi ahombone for wo so ne sa no ma no that's what okokroduma because ye so nyina na ho. So look at my age, maybe and that's what's still no people say people was on perception be say evil force and all that. Until you deal with that dia me to me ofo. Nipa enkyere mia. So asantifo ka say nipa enkyere no wadi mia.
Yeah.
Nipa enche no wadi mia. So just imagine say Mama Pat say ni din no.
Yeah, Mama Pat.
And a panel sorry you can make go wadi nani abobo no nyuma ye de so ya all court akoti find whatever. Within that short time, you can't tell us and the prison on because we didn't 1 week people who them for 15 years.
And
how will you accept it? Until men even Obi Krana, be master, maybe who's a me any time for Krano. Say Bibisa Tona, and yadia a bear me Timothy and a pa. I started thinking, okay, how will the children feel? First 3, 4, 5, 6 months. A man for better best after some time obi ama hobby now no ente say first na bet my phone now here mo na wa fro bi na nipa ne de ba o chena nko a e bi kura na e be ye den say obet my call ne sa no ma no nipa bi a wo twen ade bi afiri ne hobby a make up a provision bi wo ho because maduan bi a omodi wo ho no uhu a oboka be phone me catch to omo ye nkwan a uhu nkwan na ni a na me say me ta ko prison ho na nse na me ko a check akra na ye ta lunch ko ndi kwa bia nipa 500 na ya take away bibiri na de kom abibiri kro ha me last time kwa me nko hobi na lady bi wo nurse oye computer school ni me kai say me tua ne computer ni ma no I say oye register no prison ho ba oye online computer bibia na say it tua na ni ma no I know ho oye computer classes
no
yes.
Online
to me omo computer ya omo ni computer ni bi kro I promise them and we send them some computers.
Wow.
I want one prison. Yes, nti so ko hwe omo condition wo mu ha if you be mpa ususu say oye what time for no you wouldn't even wish such an environment for the person. Okay, nti first thing is me tie ne ha me oye oba in the first place me wo maame me onuano ma so I'm just imagining say me maame na me nua ba bi na cause that situation bi mu how will I feel in the first place enya ade a eye ade efe na wo de no kokoto nchen so a o mai bia so ene emra wo mu eye adwuma and that's say o mai betumi atumpon na obi bia timi aye de say o ye yi say emra eye adwuma o mai no because so ka say o mai no bia anye de ope na emra bia ni ho betumi guide yen astrating yen a it means o mo emre no people will always defeat them and cheat on them.
All right.
Nti emra na boa ebo obi o ye weak ho ban na what try to minimize the power of those who are very strong. Now balance the be yin na betimi atena o man nimu. For instance, na de pie na ebia make your person kota na do. Ukura phone. Se mra bi ani ho se obi je o phone na nipa betimi akogye obi betimi acha obonte aboa je o phone akọ.
No correct.
Nti mra boa limit the aggressor na what try to protect the weak. Adwuma mra no. Nti ye wo kromu a say expect mra so betimi ayeden. Ayedwuma. The would see any charges na mza akoye 2. say back on say false pretense and a back also a charlatan no maybe the two ni nyina no omo lawyer for ni bitimi a chechire mu yi ba we mu I think say 2022 2023 ho ba bi na case na call nti dodo na mo ka say was coming crop for because we discuss it ba me ma say so the first thing is say okay two angles the person who is engaged in doing this thing now who say a charlatan work enye no as I say a condemn and say this is wrong so we no more as I say you straighten
sure
because you can't be doing this say the way and say you want to encourage people to become lazy or maybe any way betima kosi ye wa bra ekromufo no empebre on person free because me who say me the 1 million ba na menya 2 million o chena me nkoya adwuma bio
sure
ehenti no so impo wo tumi bi e dey asa akra no a na manfo say omu di wachi a people will end up becoming lazy and the more na kroma be lazy no it means o man ntimi nkoso yi
productivity be low
so or maybe anywhere say also be visa so that is even if you have the power to be able to do that
sure
or maybe an so aspect because or chino be able so be the 1 million ko to ho na menya 2 million na me twan na me dia na ya be ka be 1.5 na masa na ba bio masa ba get 3 million so at the end of the day no everybody become lazy nti impo say wo 2 million betimi yes anoma no mpo na the country should not allow you to do that then you finish side that yes it takes two to tango
sure
ono nko anti me nya de oye no as so onye obi ono so ready say me so me dey 1 million be ko na makoge 2 million so such a person is a greedy person
the other corner
we are greedy we ni baboni ni you are a bad person you don't want to work hard to get money you want to get things cheaply and the world is ruled by the cheaters and the cheated those who want to cheat people end up being cheated because obi awo onim say obeye adwuma bosome yama be say 3000 Ghana nya adwuma ketwa so no pa bia na okwa adwuma so na pa bosuoma na bia bosome so yama be say 3-4-5,000 bi na say wo je o mpese obeye say adwuma no na mu ko pe be say 1 million Ghana cedis akomo obi na the next week time akwa 2 million you are a bad person you want to cheat nature such a person no you will be cheated somehow or the other until the case in essence even though everybody is talking about the side of the story no people are not seeing those who are very ingenuine they are not so genuine at all they want to cheat that's the amazing reason I was say I say lot to adwuma is different from the or no yet betting is different from say obi say me sumsumni for 1 million brand na beg 2 million whereas and I want you want to cheat a cheating propensity now and many a times such people end up being cheated until the yes I don't support the not yes all yentia when you say money I don't support that but those who were thinking say they could also become beneficial and say because of that acting so no omu said they are bad people they are nkrofo omu mpebre they want to get things cheaply and instead they ended up being cheated by somebody who doesn't have something but claims to be having that until yentia say yensa we yemfanya adwuma in fact 3 days ago I was talking to somebody about my beliefs in life I have many beliefs
all right
but the two cardinal beliefs be a me dey adwuma ne say abrabom normal me na mani padi
I'm train
edin kan effort etoso mienu grace you need these two things to become successful in life if you want to be successful you need these two things effort and grace the effort then say be when efra we are visually impaired untimi nhu ade na ekomede wo sika ni ubotom ebi amekan wo ni abusu bi kura ete ho so it's going to be very difficult for you to eat and into no share them was na wo kekam na wusu a who is going to help you but when in nya de so no de na fafa dan ho na wo bi epono no na wo de nsa ka na ba bigida ka kwan ho na wo tene wo bo say ya trust me say acha ba 2 hours no obenya be mienu miensa omni bi betum a obenya bibia di so you walking from your room as a visually impaired person to the roadside then you the effort who will put it in then what structure on sano the mercy of God will touch some hearts and then they will also offer you some support in the abrabomo in general sanity you must put in some effort and then when nature sees say well effort no enough
then the grace
will come for you to also merit or kind of have good result to be able to me abo and it say obi ye na djuma o tomade wa de a wo ton na bia market in sheda nkoso yi What you when him fine? Ade a what on be a location here very good. Okwa adwuma mu ntem. O force say be e beto ade amount. But wo normal turn nko yia. Na won so say be a we dey bia. Obi na ebi ko amekan wa be ya aduro bi o madwuma mu. Ana ebi ko obi na ekweti amenti na madwuma nkoso a. And no say no you can go to somebody or yesum dwuma say oy me ye madwuma na me ye no normal nko yie. Ma adwe ye me say bia na obi na aye me say na say ebi ko na obi a menye ton ade a ton the same thing on the same area na ebi o wakwaji bibi ase ma ade ntino. Is there any way obetimi aboa me? Such a situation no dey make say eno eye okay. Because already the effort is there. Onye kwadofo wo ye normal. Oh, for so try our best, but our best is not producing any meaningful result. And until now, we're going to say, "Ebi to an amount na call obi ho." Na say what one na wako obi nchen nipa no onye sika ma. Baby, me buy wa ho beka chiro obi ba me ho. Oba me ho no ade a ono hwehwe na me hwe nanim sa. Sinya saka me sinza ba ko ya sumpa ma. Ono oba ye no.
Yeah, nana.
Na madam fu bi na ba wo ha. Ena no say open adwuma yie na obo anu say bibia ye yama no na me me pene say me pese me nyesika pa we uti the voice to him say e ba won ayi so say me wa me pese me nyesika pa na de better me ye ne say obema made bi a fisika no na no wo da mu na say ya na oka no o mama de bi a be produce sika na bi esi da mu na ma pa adwuma keto bi ye wa bontenchi no amanfo be ka say madwuma me ye na te
nti na bema
o bema nti mekwa na makofa sika no si ya o mekwa makofa sika no nti o kasa ya wie na me say menye sa normal no. I told him say I don't do those things. Menye sa normal no. Na ofi say so obia say obeye sa na wo ye na china bi ni say opese kokota ade kra wo still man ka hwan e be so na ma wakoto bi because obi bia was sika bi a ade be fima na wo da mu a send you hear about Yajuma. Because so corner ya figure no akwasa biblibi. So people have this kind of mindset. Said there are people bia ye betimi amount sika wa abra wonye bibia. And I'm telling you that this world we're successful like two things. Put in some effort by working. Then ebia working awoye no ebia enso aba mount the way open house wo jempa bo bi de ate chire se be ya wadwuma na woye na ye genuine work na ye yi a problem bi anim. Nti say man for badwin say radio so TV so dey bia but for only 2,000 baht now you have 4,000 and then people believe these things.
And so Nana, my problem now is Ghana ha you need regulate bia or regulate this
problem mo na mo media for dey say me na mbisa mo because radio station TV stations that at times wo hwe say normal no wo so no me fi say Ghana NCA for na regulate that normal nyina. So why will you permit the na malam bi ababetena abonten e wo TV so na o yisika gu ho. There's one guy be on so malam.
All right.
Offer me free no oba free oba me ho free also free nkoko ano kan.
Yeah.
Nti oba ye no. No so have me programs na me man to me obetimi the yes double money no. Yeah, he came to me. Or you be our famous oba omo TV ni bi so. Na me say how me tell who say why we be with TV no so. O say na there ya na. No brother, onu anum tom. Onu anum tom.
E je for mu tie o.
People make me.
Na say dey.
E bia obe end up watching this video me mo be edi. But o ka kire me say. Or pay to me he has been following me for a very long time.
Sure.
Na man for be mama me nchen ni edi nkomo nso no. Or pay to me obeti buy double money. Now obi a minimum because you famous. Na
say grass of me ehudi pa ro.
Na say na say ya we use can be with you and they azan. Me pay correct one. Na me say me nye double money. I don't give those things. They actually be didn't come up and my guidance and say some of these things when you're very careful because they are repercussions. So all that I'm saying is for somebody to think say me nya to me and me double money and me nya scratch say there are people who are very lazy who want to cheat nature. Okay? Such people will be the target of this person who is looking for power to do double money. But I mean, what they say, you know, me ncha lotto, me nya betting, and just say be a evil.
All right.
And just say I want to use my hand to work. Nti majuma na me ye na say be a enko ye na mbese me tu ho na mo be a na maye. na say free money ni cheap money.
Nana me catch look to the bet in the crown. Nana me di me hu shemu kakra.
E bet use ke nyina.
Nana enti miske nyina. Safu kan tanka bisa. Nana. Nana mo ano but we dey too sure about to about.
We go chari boom. Ama
o kire me plan me say anajoro me ko die no. Me di plan me ko mu za
na
say effort o. Effort na me dey work here.
It's true.
Not grace na ma.
See, the whole point in it say, it doesn't mean say any effort to be so na genuine. The over the mestilzimo, I say, your there's a word, a mystical term. There's a word I'm looking for.
Okay.
I just say, your abominable activities.
Okay.
And unabominable activities.
Okay, that's right.
And you know, what effort na put in. Make sure say it is not geared towards abominable activity.
Okay. And the abominable activities.
For instance, they say me Hare Krishna I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke. We need cigarette in this eye in their hand, but cocaine. I don't do any of these things. I don't eat meat. So I cannot imagine myself maintaining a slaughterhouse. Everybody say, I cannot imagine myself maintaining a beer bar or a beer parlor. And I say, baby, a ton we and a ton cigarette.
You can't.
Because me said these are abominable activities. And in because of me putting effort, and my effort is I'm maintaining a slaughterhouse. No, you are engaged in an abominable activity. So that is not recommended. They make what I say. Obioya and robber, almost blessing me, BBR. Carrying gun and managing people and following them. You are putting an effort, but your work you're doing is an abominable activity. So it is not right for you to do that. They know they are no maybe they are considered to be abominable activities. So a devotee of the Lord should not be found engaged in some of these abominable activities. Find on abominable activity, put in some effort, the grace will come.
Nana, my nurse, na. Bushafo say afei na wachimo fidi adato high Sompa 106.5 FM for God and Country Friday's edition. Every Friday biano say nana ewo maimu hanko ade a yene ne hia one on one, and then o kire yen niema yebetimi afa so a ana say kwan a yebetimi aye a yebetimi afa so a yebetimi adiye ewo yabrabom ade bia entimi emmoa wo no nana ebeka kire. And I know say with the kind of experience and anakra now we share Juma Waye was has been able to transform a whole community. Then it tells you that it's somebody who famna there ebetimi aboa. But then quickly, yeah, share the fight against galamsey in this country.
Yeah, before my boy, my menka be krebi and find share enuaba mama part tuning.
Okay.
To be honest with you, no, I'm sure say set their court and akano. If truly no idea say or young crofosa and you're non kwana system no or ye be at there are a lot of people in the system, somehow or the other, they find ways and means to do some of these things. And I think say and paying focus say who say a jato young bobby say more. First day I think as an suicide no.
Sure.
But he says no man can soon see him for bobby say news you.
Oh, rather. What you said?
They say, yeah, upgrade is a proverb. So who so be about to say, a get them near share. Don't just find water. Never see what they all can say, but tomorrow you do no. For about to say, no, soon precon. So what I'm trying to say here is say, who you be also somehow that you are engaged in some of these kind of activities. Be very careful. I did be Ohana say, be and you will be set example. Eya na ne kana eden the way na sister ma part need na ko basa no one way very easy for the court to be able to engage in some of this kind of normal court work until yes the issue na ba and obi e can be oko social media na he comment na Ghana for your nkrofobia sebi nka asem tu nkrofo a nka hu se ahumobro o makwam ba okay nka comment in regards to my issue about 70 to 80% in no seem say they are happy
with what has happened.
So what is meaning is say somehow or the other people were not very pleased with the way you're normal. Do you be also follow my footsteps and then the first step as in say be na juma oye baby go make how communicate with abonten and in fact me obi a me follow no I don't follow her
all right
but on say social media way no wo ma bon say na video bi obi aye no na betwam ba ko pe so ba ko mienu mi say bi a matie ne kasa me anya dia e me fe because I know very well say ye kasa obi ye nyame juma say mami no oye comfort some time ago and then all of a sudden say what change it which I feel so obi bia na ono ye Christiani and that time because say mami was saying they are very good but that time I know oye comfort no anytime oba your so ya obi bisa ho say was there so much transformation between the two personalities even I think say even first no you comfort no na oye more calmer than time oba your so
come on no oye comfort no say na yentene
na yentene nka but chiro oba your so for you kra na say na ho nsem ba bonte bebe ne kasa ne order so aba ne say no you say we panyimu kra na say okwa amane mu a wotum nya kra mane tuufo eye ampadu etonyu be na mbofo ya osise wo ka timu a ana ma nyina ayden e kire kaka
asa wo ka timu ana ma nyina
e kire kaka de bia bese no ntia ase a se wo ka timu da na timu atachem na wo timu a wo bese wo ye den wo timu maneuver way out na amanfo nya abonten a
asa wo ye no kro go ma timu obebi da oh sister oh
yes wo ka timu a ena man nyina e kire wo kaka ndi I say no man part mze bia wo prison am pass wo ho a she might hear some of these things personally I don't feel very good say wakwa amane yim say because me hu ni so your ba she can be my mom she can be my sister or somebody close to me nti anya me de and I will pray say okho no onko da suban bi edi na mpanyimfo at times hu say obi ko prison na oda suban papa edi etim fa akiri ka so said the water subampa didn't maybe I am pardon on the baby sano, na baby at me abasama. That's in case section be or Bible on Tia. On who say some of these things might end up in a way I umpe, not on fun to no hopeful. So answer now, those I be a udima bontin, but you are doing a similar thing. You should be very careful, meaning say also be bisa bit me about all. And I answer at them be against say we want to cheat nature by getting the whole world money no in one day no you person be ade den you person nya bibia ntentem no you very careful because the more person wunya ohun ntentem abra o mreye no there's every possibility say obakoto obi nsem anipa no so on person be brenti no so be chitu no na waji ade dey free nsem so let's try work hard nature have ways and means of blessing crop with wealth until wo bo ohun mode ye wadwuma no if God is pleased with you money will come until from both sides those who be doing and those who be going for it and you na yentu ye ho for na ye hu say and I'm on say no utu na mboa na watwon ho e dey afri ho nti I am advice na me dey ma sister mama part or TBB say ya ohun ni say a mistake na be e buy na BB say esi onto to no ma ye there's every possibility say bi kura enche na yes oh pardon will be it's possible sometimes so can happen na among for our bonding so no entimi to no ma ye because some of these things and it's possible say also bit menya manesa
but nana can it be say the share a year dear mamia kumuna ne social media kwen ofaso obaso a wokasa no would you advise her say I was so chaso
to be honest with you no social media ya bro for ya be ye ya te Ghana ha na yentimu nye hwe adidi among for my own social media, the money these people are making from here, genuine way of making money, and agro. But what the baddest part of the world is there? I say, at him did the end to Quano, and unti and a social media. Yes, as a suggestion I will give to those who are older than me, and the same suggestion no better advice to those who are not older than me. Because what I believe they say, you cannot advise somebody who's older than you.
Yeah.
You can only suggest.
Yeah.
But those who are probably older than them, they should take it as advice. Social media was created for beautiful purposes. You're making sure say you be useful for such purposes. Now you're careful how I communicate your message and information on the social media. Say me, do na on more social media, say be ABA or more lambaster no. Young crofo ABA or more name face to face.
Yeah.
The moment young crofo ABA or more any programs they will conducting who they will communicating no. And I'm a man for being to the point say even nka wonu akwa amanie mu ayi anka se oma owere akoma no omo kura na se bi ye omo de se bibisa atu nipa no nti senke se nyame ye na dom na oba bontin biu na obeye communication through social media. I think say onhunu
but prison horo omo use phones
according to amanfo omo nim ni de omo phones omo de asiesie omo even though mra na makwan
mra makwan say prison house
in the prison house you can't use the mobile phones there.
Oh really?
But so no mo ye calls ho they do make calls according to information ko do na omo ye say scamming sister Neo London unim sister wa London unim men say anko for do mo say omo prison house yes oh yes. According to sources, I don't want now, but when I first say, hey, me, I was sister Amani, oh, Meton can't show, oh, Sanko for now, no, my voice or bad voice, don't know prison house. Omoko drove here, no money as I am, phony, be no best, I know money, and see, even though I'm random McQuine, but these are things because I may share program B, my sister station B, now host back home, interview prisoner B. Now, crime fast for money dress a court. Sales holding no man and yasam ketwa. Wow. It is serious. Maybe I personally watched it. So no me cost of prison house in there. I think say BB I was my part or better and can host or better and can him. I would personally suggest to her. I don't know whether I'm older than her, but I would like to suggest to her say Chinebino say BB ni be our babon earlier than time as so now, which personally I would be happy because me I don't want any human being to go through pain. On who they will be communicating. Yes, we as one who aduane and a Ghana for ebia omoduane no no nche but wa asem de omo no beche
omo no beche omo no be call the
nti no wan hwe ya no be wa wo ya kasa amanfo ani ni wachi e mo find ho into difficulty bia. That is when you be able to know say ebia how na wo conduct ho no amanfo enhye da anyeden pentima part in case wo teme nkan it's a suggestion for me, a humble person. I'm telling you say how are now communicating, looking at the commenter about case, said people were not pleased with the way I communicating.
Sure.
And then just say be and communicate the way I may you try and find ways and means I'll beat me Tony down kakra. And I say bit to go about one thing, some of these things, you go off social media, we are so mammy. You can a lot of us for my on social media.
Yeah, no,
but I still have their members out there.
Yeah.
If you say Bibisa, I know a boama, Bibi to me, I to 2 years.
Nana Jana ebeda wase efutu ya odiama evangelist mama Pat eke agrada na woni a etie yenso asasu ne ban ne bi ekura omo a omo de bu amanfo no omo so akwa ama omo na one aspect how kind man touch me ne say womo a omo so omo koho se omo kwa kopɛ double money omo de no so anka wo say emra no so timi chi omo.
Yeah.
You say maybe no cosa.
There be say we no man kwan obi akiti unti ene de we na wabre. Me nyɛ say mra no be ka say we na waye bi. On the first na ka say obi tra say okum no ho a.
Yeah.
Wow, some of the community suicide no. Ye chew.
Right.
Because they tell say unya ku hu wi a ofunu no kwan kosi. O de ofunu no ba beto say na bebre. E be chew aso for you trying to commit suicide. But obi a wan ka say okura sika na wakomo obi akiti wudi. Say one ho be chere unti no keep it. But I think that people should be very careful.
All right. Now that one issue, Omemu Hadrin started following this fight since 2008. The fight against Galamsey, illegal mining. Edienya. Sabre would we nichre a part of Ashanti region, part of Western region, and now even the Bronga Hafo, the Den. Wrong half regions, Bunu East, Ahafonewa, and some northern part of Mother Ghana. Some manfo, a 2 former agudi and say omukutu because the omoyeno and namra kwanso. The sentinel kase eye galamsey. Yensu say, ye quiet say, they say insu na I say nintino. Akwako they say, insu kra was yenum through Ghana water the crowd. Some of the stations crowd insurance crowd no to me refine bill because of the tepidity level no idea was soro so me can tepidity level insurance any anyama ahono important ntininya dia ebetimi ayeden mfidia ewo Ghana water no betimi asone so amenye bianom na mpo no konye bi kra no mu a e de how e de brew cancers ni niema Nana say the fight against galamsey. Ohwe aban a etwe mu, ni aban a aba so sesi a ekon na omokon na. Ye betimi awon any fight no.
We will be a hotel to kwana or drive off sa kwan a omoye galamsey wo so na.
Yeah.
Now you will be our domagana pa bones and now you're out.
Wow.
What I know is say, bare 20-25 years ago, Mikai said, "Now Hare Krishna for your call all villages to go and do some kind of administration." Say, "Koko you preaching is normal."
All right.
Your Koko Galamsey site, baby. Now that time, you know, also Omo Galamsey Omo ye no Omo nye wonsuom. No Omo nye wonsuo ho. Ti be kon bi ase Galamsey site no, Omo Koko sisa abo no ho de ba. No ba be yam. Omo yam abo na omo ankasa wo ewe ensuo ne recycle a omo de hohoro omo yi no. Ndi a kire ye hu se I say Galamsey omo ye wonsuom China for na de ba. Sa omo cham fine no.
Cham fine no we.
Omo de si nsuo no so a na nsuo na ankasa etu dote na ehoro gum. Because first I nim say among 4 years are illegal mining. Nsuo bi en say you see them doing the gold. But who say nsuo at a chet tata no, it was not like that. The China for the new method that bana aya do baby edru. Enya kono the way ye mining no. Na enye easy for any government to stop the galamsey.
Enye easy.
It's almost like impossible. The reason is so be so no pay. No come mining site. Assassin ko be making a crony dia no be atim ko di so bi. Okono ko ye lock no bo kwa na otumi be say 3-4 be £1 beer. That day na otumi sika. Okay. Nti unya kono wani ye de na ye lock ya. Every day be otumi sika mu eduru. Nti antese bi obi a ono kokodo afuo na watwen ma bode na ba na mancha ba na say tomatoes na ba nsa. En na okọ na oye lock ya obenya gold mu wanya hwekwa bia ni 2-3 blade bi de no de aba.
Sompa FM.
And idea a man go for sikano ne blocking no very easy, especially in a place like Ghana. A Juman said that any ho bebrebe do na anya juma omoye no enye very easy say ubetimi aka say o stop galamsey no and into no they say ohun say monkey ohun
Adre
monkey yeah oko Vrindavan India prefer Vrindavan oko monkeys okurumpa. And they have beliefs that those monkeys are not ordinary monkeys. There are hundreds and hundreds of them. Now, Vrindavan ho unti me shades and glasses.
Adija.
O share ya pe omobeyi.
And when the baby
monkeys no share pe unhu no kwan obefa so obeyi everywhere. On my first time in India, when was that? 2008 and a baby. Me the baby in a call omo jini na. You know I love shades all the time. Many I don't want people to see my eye. So the masters of the land, you know, Vrindavan and Kasoko India are one of the holy places.
Oh,
yeah. Vrindavan, those monkeys, you know, they are not ordinary monkeys. They are souls, the previous lives, you know. They were very powerful sages. They were living in Vrindavan, and they don't want to leave. And they feel so nipa obligations to the doors on the door. So they want to come back in different bodies. So body a ben human body nipa your monkey body. And the way you'll be surprised. Me ankasa me first time in Vrindavan, baby you die no.
Yeah.
Now early in the morning, be a temple and papa so sorry by 3 a.m. We take you bath we obey your prayers. I said by 4:30 in our temple room. You will pray in the morning. Until by 3:30 maybe be and I have to walk from baby I'm die into the temple. Now me kono anapa ahemachi. Nti I say I don't say mo bebre di mani mo ko me hu mo ani ye. No mo kwa okwa Vrindavan na ye kuro ketwa by more than 5,000 temples wo.
Wow.
Yes. Almost every lane, every 2-3 building be a temple. Now monkeys no mo ko in a group o. Omo kwa no mo dru ha. Omo gina ho sa be few seconds no mo say movie. The temples no early in the morning no mo bie. All the time you mo bie main gate no. So you see the altar. The monkeys know. Now make us say me I was coming from like this and omo di manim. Do mo kwa do be omo gina ho sa no mo move no mo ko. So they were doing like this until say me temple and me kono rather Krishna Krishna Balaram temple am ko e. Nti a chire ya me bisa some of them paying for no say the monkeys are not ordinary monkeys o. So the way I nipa yaso na pa yeko temples, and early in the morning they move through all the temples.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Now they told us say glasses monkeys in the will be a better glasses for Vrindavan. Almost say Vrindavan is a very pure place. Look at Vrindavan with your rear eyes. Don't use anything to cover your eyes.
Whoa.
So maybe I say, oh, Maka say, oh, I don't believe it's a monkey. Man, who they me a monkey be from a tiano ye?
Oh, we saw no say no.
Oh, you answer no. They will not spoil it. Oh, you better got natural. No hell. No, other Vrindavan was no more tom pressure. The food that has been offered in the temples, special food, to be a baby. Until they expect you to say about pep prasad in be. Now what to the man now or so prasad no more. No glass in their mouth.
Wow,
it's amazing. And until make sure there, the monkey is holding your glasses here. Open so jar glass in the mawa. You throw a prasad, now assume, now a jar in their mouth. So if the government want to stop galamsey, you cannot take the glass from the hand over mount. You must put something back into the hand. Then the opposite will jar. Now it's easy for you to stop. If you are there, galamsey don't to stop it.
Yeah.
So you have to find ways and means that obey engage you in the way, and yet too different from the omoye but about amasaseno I maintained. For instance, area high one, what finding out say who is the owner of this site, okay? Even if it means the government must go in there, provide some equipment to be a enko bembe be and suwo. And they see a government now has a gold board on which is a very good system. So now no, so we will be on him gold. When we say obi and him go to gold.
There be say don't you
gold didn't go through the gold board. It means somehow no, the government is regulating. Then so no, or more than one more year jumano. Wouldn't mean for soldier now police for enko stop them. They will not stop. Now I mean say NDC for man and for I'm trying to say Hanabisu. Now dear ni muno okaram we are here just 9 day wonder.
Oh, now that was a 9 day wonder.
No, wouldn't mean and the people you live there after a week and they will go back. Fair. Oko America cry na America na omoye advanced world no. Among for omoye drugs. Drugs cartels no. Enye easy say ubetimi stop your mo. Okay? So what I'm saying is that the girl I'm saying now omoye no. Mining enye evil organ enye illegal. Name obakọ mine obia asase no is not been ordained and now it doesn't have the sanction of the government, you know. NSC enye. Nti aban wo dia ne say monkey no ekura wo shades no. Enya ade obegya mu ato ho. Wo kasa wo je obese no. What do? You must present something na obepese obeje enu mum no wagya wo shades ne dia amount. So the government should go back to this mining site. No alternative for the people there will be regulated. Now, omunkoye first, omunkoye forest num. Second, omunkoye wo nsuo num. Now, omoya wanya nkrofo mbeto gold na mo monasto na no moye omajimo bedidi. Because already the mine is here than new mine num. And the mine no obekom no dey say organize one in a foreigners nko na ye. Ashanti gold num ne sa omo makeka ho nyina no. Abrofu ya na egite nya de.
Nana, wo se de Hana BC wo eye no.
Oh, 9 day wonder.
9 day wonder. Enti ne kakra.
From King.
Ababio Sompa FM sunie.
Mejo so.
Good. Ejeya ni NKB shemu a yate se eye
Dagati to junior high. Woman to school no one the school no. Ama ayi netia woman pege du so no. Se yankwanko kataso animani mo ya. Ebe share go school no so e disaster ene beba nevia enka yatena wo memo mi abobona na so ye fun.
Okay.
Who disaster ankwara yi se den no mo pa wo so mo petio. Omo bisa book. One that can't say you petio so mo ba hanu omo to etio. What is more dangerous than obi a that sorry with these people? Than me and media make honum one day. Akwa stop here adwuma ko se mfidie aye wachi we mu. Than that. Which ya baby a wa crack it. A phone na crack hwe ubetimi atia so na abu wagum fi say you two asie. What is more dangerous than that?
Okay, so
how do you operate as administrator of a fund? What we develop is our community see na wote hɔnom na wote air condition office na wote air condition car mu na adansi ka ne ba wonyɛ hwe no wagye ne ntakunte mpo na wote hɔ na wo sere you be joking ɔmampanyini John Dramani Mahama what say no to some illegalities way and see mineral development and communities no yeah push it be a friend PPP polluter pays principle ya chow ya sesa wo fidie approach for ne omukọ uniform no uniform security for ne omukọ na o ye same fidie no almost so say na ya gina so na ekokot ni aremando na fi ya start ya no wo camera embra ne wudi no ni asu ya kan sure say EPA ye estimate amayen nti amna na watu ensuo na wasɛ no sɛ subin ma sɛ no jimi wasɛ no kan ye ma no nkofo a mo terrorize o mo ji o mo kokofuo a no so mo buagu a wo mo bom ayi ne nyina no pa mo che ho ka amna donko amotu sukuu na sɛ mo buagu a motu adu ho ne nyina no ye de ho ka ma mo na mo chia na ye de akava me pesa watiefo hu sɛ ye sɛ ye de ya de yenya positive results nyankopon nadom ya certificate tiwa west na na omutu omatu aka ma asase kata so na mi adom omo amugusu gumo no obi bia so ende na to hono ma yati omo obi di fika kwa akoyi no omo gumo no omo lawyer fo asase ani kasa enye ne ye EPA fo ye ne nya budget de mamo na matu aka na aiden akwa kata mo na so nsamo ne amadi na anu afia da dwumadi ekodi ye nura Ghana ni a wo so wo machi edi sa China for na kogu ko a motorize amanfo a mo say ye ntuo mo di sa ansamo ne no frame nra be ya na jun no nkono ne fa to fi no mbi hono be bi no frame e no introduce no ho e no say sanko for ne nkonko plan ma de bi nko na ntin nko mo be na ne me da de bi so nim se na mu di nsamo no say ai adwuma na mo ye no no adu be bi ho se enye e na msi mu wo mu kumbidie no ebetimi agi wo mu ya de ne se ye baba bebuka ni wie na motua ye de akotiesie ho na mamo nkotorize wo mu biem de aka ne ye Ghana mra na Ghana mra Sandre masanya ne tieta manfo di dozers ko mu site sadi on be kata amna ne so mo ma dua nua sana NDF ama me hamaj kimi dofo the result and no retreat no surrender me sande kokko abowo ma woni nam ebi fo bi timi ko me woman organizer bo se wo pese wo mehu me ani fika ba wo betra bia wo fifia me sro kra wo busiafo no mo mpe lawyer fisa me show if you insinuate so we declare bad influence me and not any of my officers make sipa make show if it's confirmed the best show because me who say adia ba ko at the fight against Galante me dofo me vacho
na wo kasika sam no ma me bisa o start adwuma nyina no aje bia no obi aba wo nchen se wo de sika bi e ba be bribe wana
yen no me vacho me directly there ya me musuro mo fan crofo so
omo fan crofo so
ai omo ni crofo kasa na omo a onim kasa so omo an kasa kan tie no ma to banano ada fia den ya ye koye fidie bi mi di se he won faso pa moment no me di to go bi na em di to asase ne kesesa o mte se bo mi bupu obi afo saa ni nja no mde ko se ewura mo baby teacher na afo na e fa o mu no ma e di ewura mu ensemoni o mu di ni nyina na ye mu bi ya ko saa site on and ye ya na follow pass ye ko hu ina me se megina ye begina ye na so ne fidie ni nyina ye hu ni nyina ye betu Ebya kokrom ena no ye medofo ye twenye o muti o mo ko mo wan engineers ne but fe ko di engineers ko please ubehu no mo di ye so mo di tracker siso no mo aye bi ne fe se fidie ni ntemen ko nke di engineers ko se bi mbeti na bypass ye beti na mo bi fidie na fi nrem aba kwan ho ne de be full bed ne de be ko police station ne take chassis numbers any bibia make sure say nobody moves anything out of the area until emran be na juma enti wo mo bush na no mo try to afidie no wo mo de ye bag im na buy so mo ne o mo ba be din komo na wo mo nja afidie no wo mo ya sa de so land cruiser ti mo no mo tika ena ɛna wɔn ka kyerɛ wɔn so yɛ madam ɛwɔ school no fi sɛ yɛfi hɔ yɛ yi no kò gyina school ne nkyɛn wɔn si wɔ hɔ enti nkɔmɔkorɔ no mo nkɔ hɔ mo kɔ hɔ wia no ma bɛbɔ yɛn mo de mmuayɛ abrɛ yɛn.
Abushafo Sompa 106.5 FM for God and country. Bebacho ubetimi akɔ Facebook page ne sesia Sompa 106.5 FM. Na emfonyin bi etwe egu ewo ho. Abrante bi a wono no wote excavator so a atache no amem excavator no so. Amem excavator no no ogina so. Na opese obefri so. Because one free so a obemem atache no bemem no. But do shapa say ni na wo eyese obutu ahoma di ama no. Ahoma no obutu aba no regard. Akwa no sem so bisi ahoma no. Nti atache no de ne kɔ. Mud slide. Ekunu. And so still kwabrane be koye galamsey. Nana
Prof the American say.
Yeah.
Monkey na je o shades ni kura no. So one person will do shades na. Ese will replace shades with something and monkey ni pay. So people already invested in this so much. Omufi say a source of their income. It is not going to be very easy for anybody to stop them. Unless they will replace what they are doing with something else. I said your moye no. So abani bam no be regulating ye. Then they will stop this. The ever say they are now na no ye adwuma say oba adwuma oba wa kokoduro ye de because okọ na a true was agalam inside nyagoro. Okay. Nti oba ono onya kokoduro ye sa na yade se ebo na baso. But it's very unfortunate the oye no. A 9-day wonder. The reason is say who adwuma na office adwuma meboa. Every day we bet me akọ site say okay dey oye no why ya be 2-3 weeks per asa. You make what they say. Wajuma na me bia we CEO and whatever it is no, we a chairman bia na bibia. Wajuma no office. You need to receive guests and all that. How many days now bet me akọ site every day? Or bet me acho mo 2-3 weeks. One could be what they will go there. So maybe suggestion is say if the government want to stop galamsey, make sure say obe streamline adwuma na omoye no. Now the mara abata ho. Then you appoint some people on be adwuma na and on obi bia abenye na adwuma ye anya bibia didi wo ho. Na that was stopping na o de asojafo ni a police people go ho a asojafo Ghana ha no omu nyina kwa kogogu galamsey site a enso. What do I say?
Because who call addition will be free.
Even kwatena the whole year. They are offered a year now. They will still go back. So the government should try and then streamline the omoye no. A beyond to say Okada. Probably means why you Okada so.
Now no grab me Dabea. Adra. None of become once.
A big problem Ghana. By government be anywhere near a say obetimi answer Okada no majuma no moye no. The reason is say so wopa wo kwa buruchiri na esa ko check in by best 3 p.m. Now what free now the traffic na unhu de wo ye ho by 30 minutes time say when do airport oba miss your flight. Now the only option for you to go near Okada. That's when you see Okada no
also.
Na me personal experience that me nya be atwam.
All right, Nana.
Ghana ha na me mfo moto because I dey misuru. Maybe they are very unsafe say ni baba tena moto so na na. Nti na me tu kwan. Na me tu kwan na pe na every time mo check in no sana aba animu. Me ta de continue come am ke me check ma twa ticket awie. Nti me kwa me dru ba bia Ghana dan be ba that thing pa won what is saying? Oko mall ho na Accra mall side ho no say dan Villaggio side ho no. Na me frɛ obi na me nim no wo emre to say time be no mo close o say aka 15 minutes pe. Na me say they say na omo check in intem. Na me he ba bia me wo any traffic na me di mu na.
Enya dia
30 minutes been through. And I was going to India. What do? Me wa bag me nu e da boot ho. To ho na me bag na ya me checking back me carry on.
Yeah.
Me fabo machi. Na me kai da wan say on tu milika na omra airport. That na time na tene mai.
All right.
Na time na 2 me ho na first na wo. Ho na me gina Okada. Obi a me so Okada no. Na me gina Okada na me front na so. Na me so on kan ho me ko airport. Na
really?
Me catch driver and say on fa me bag no emra airport wo. na me timi ka no wura mu nti yedru ho na aka 5 minutes no ma be close to you know nti wana apɛ na me de me passport ko ma nipa no nti obo me di o ya na me se mpacho me ba wa me ba na me tu mi ka bi ko wura washroom ho so ko me passport no
yeah
nti no se me ba ya wunti ka se wa close
no correct
na me ne driver no communicate wo phone so what do he asa me ka what do he say that me ba traffic no nti me late be say 15 minutes na nka counter ni ko ma close ba na me say okay me passport wa ha say o check him in na me ka me say me yam nti me washroom nti obedu ani mo na me pie na me di mi kana o de bag na buy and o check me in so be ade say na o kada ni ho a that day no I would have missed my flight.
You would have missed it.
So from that day I started seeing the importance of this Okada job.
Okada people.
The idea baby I do say see no amount for spend the musica moto ni bia or mode ye adwuma. They will not park these motorbikes in the house of Abraham for adwuma. And no go dan chen Ghana ya kwan no such that say oko baby na wo ya later the only option so be use Okada. They are buying Uber now say Okada wo twa mu a trust me, we're very unpopular. But so we they are trying to. So my ideas be now or I don't find kawe. All right. Oko area be na just associations wo ho. Nti bia kwa benya any domains are constituency no ho be na every 200 something constituencies. Constituency be not one Okada association wo ho. So it could be say one person can be the chairperson of that association. Obi bia na o manage Okada within that constituency no. You have to go to this association, become a member, have their ID card. Na o moto no yemfa number bi mo ho ase wo far away kwa bi hu so assume say o kwe no or belong to this association. So I just say o ye Uber driver. Na amanfo nya ho complain the kwa pe Uber for no app no untim sign into it again. You will have the car but you cannot use it to do the Uber. Nti obi on motorbike na say nipa ni misbehave e bi kwa make on traffic ma when you traffic red light na okobu obi or the say
driving mirror number
na be a trade numbers pentino easy so between two team onya frɛ na ka say obi de moto say onya bo share system e be say association we na wo so you end up losing that mandate or the year adwuma wo no you will have your motorbike but won't even fan for obi because won need identification say who belong to any organization. So we have 275 constituencies. Constituency be an aban enya one association for all the people within that jurisdiction. No money in register. Obama mo special T-shirt. Atade on special say different color. Bepe different design, whatever it is. No. Now more different tag be able to buy and people can see and report. Ebana sana, all regulating they will begin to behave well. All the red lights are on trum. No is on your trum na report on the pa. Baby no why man you begin it nto ya ne sa na now no omo rush baby so why no so they don't stop at the red light because police for the chomo nto nya gina ho pa na okotu ni key because omo nkasa no omo need riding license no e na oye bia di ba me kan no our association bi mu a before association ba gina ya je Ghana card ahwe ya je o driving license ahwe ya hu so yo bia woni madwuma no. The China be no mistake be easy say betimi attract you.
That's a nice suggestion.
I'm telling you that the government can do this at the money away in 5 months. Within 2 months, you'll be able to do it. Every constituency be any creative association back or be outside jurisdiction you must belong to the association. T-shirt one of bit yaka. You make sure you driving license. Your man will be a baby to say tagger or to know what wouldn't mean why is be a metal or bit me a screw boom. Baku burning baku bachili. Oye mistake far away they can see and report you. Trust me, within 2 months, Okada Ejumanu a best streamline.
Nana ever say, but back to the Galamsey.
So going back to Galamsey, the same principle. The government cannot stop Galamsey. You can only regulate it by streamlining it. Until now, they will not stop. Why are the 1 month and they will go back to the place? So making sure say. Sa site we no kwa say the omaye nsa nkuruma kwa we go aye so chen go yi
no na serious
atache so chen na we no say we say what dey show obi nsa e na ko hu we ya you jail the person who is in charge of this okona ko gi excavator na ko shena ono no bonya better gold 10 bar 10 uni 1 bar bia bo gold 1 kilo bia say $107,000 1 kilo of gold. And I'm checking $107,000. Dollars. You see this dollars.
Wow.
What the Ghana saying? Best 1.4 million Ghana cedis. Until they go question how do we are? Oh no. Why you do my best 4 years or bus tell them to know better 20 or China. So don't go there and then start burning this. What when you say mine when you will be there?
No, even as we speak now, so I'll call pot on one. I will be a chico poto. Now I'll share a year excavators by
Omodeba.
Omodiaba mine.
I'm ready now, Ghana. Excavator apart from the construction work, then you get into Omodé. But the government allowed this to come in, and then the people begin to use it wrongly. Then we blame the people. And excuse me, you bet you boys now or no obey you may do 1,000 2,000. Nipa na kasa na o share mind with you nko che no. See, our people are not using their own God-given talent. In geopolitics.
Okay.
Oko se Mexico. Drug cartels no. Omo ya de na omo tag. They will not stop. So we are president now say we be good.
Omo juma na.
What that one wa buy no ensucceed.
Reason being,
the reason is they have power. Omo corrupt all the police structure that we nyina. Now kwa na wo no ye MP no. Before say go stand no. Omo support with sika. More information against you. No man just say, Jimmy, I want you better. The Abambia no Beba Mexico no. Colombia and those they will make sure say be a cartels no be a better 20 and a 1 can hire Juma. Ombe make sure so ombe yi obi oyo mo leader. So among all the 20 cartels na wa no. Ye yi leader. One government kra na omo share meetings. Then I'm telling you this here. I have studied geopolitics and I know I'm telling you. The drug cartels and Nankasa now mono the illegal no. The government sit down with them and tell them say yem pese mun krofo ni be abonde kunkunkum krofo. Yem pese gang we shia na omo kokoko mo ho. We have given you the territory for you to monitor and manage it. Wunnim na ye hu chaos bia na we will come for you. The government knows say so okay say now chichi omu nyina na. They will start shooting people anyhow. So they make sure say omone cartel for ni bi tenase e discuss who say make sure say obe manage omo. They will not go beyond their boundaries. You person omo to rough near you know. Now the terrain where you're terrain now you can manipulate it, you can manage it. They make anybody who knows geopolitics know what I'm talking about. And until I also about the Google I'm saying you cannot stop it. You can only replace it with something better. Did the omo ye na no necessary oh you Odani nika crabby like I'm saying in sumu there should be 0. Memo bia nya mine and I be in sumu. Your reserve forest no memo bia nya mine ho. They are buying the mana the area hana be make the whole area hanging and nipa mienu and manage wells na wa hana. Such people so be free mon channel mo forest no mu they will come and report to you. Because what you almost say this area ni na na ye wo and the hell sir. Ye ba na obi bensu ho a wo na benya asem enya nkra na omo ye adwuma no nipa na ono ya big man na ono na manage bibia no
ono kra concession no
wo na benya asem nti ono be make sure say and boys need ti omo because ono na ti omo ka omo na to go do from nsem nti omo man instruction na omo be fasting wo aban no so chene say if this is your concession me ba na man for air mismanage no man. But
Nana, the problem here is that security forces no call ASIs in the crown check one more site no 2 galam say na. They are very reluctant say penyin pa na ode djuma na mom no omayi na ma omo tanyi omo penyin for na ma.
No they say mining concession no. Oko baby register mo na. You know the name on that documentation.
But the illegal miners, say concession,
No, they do say concession that one. Gold was so. You be there. Ube come no. Ni pani na tucha man crofo mo illegal mining was so. On the ultimate 25 acres.
All right.
They are on there. And on one machines be or they no they are illegal for no mo ye ho adwuma didi or charge mo ho. The course our concession that will be you should go to the owner. Nipa na the man no go and hold the person accountable. The omoye no obi ba me ho. I said I say me can bet me go so make still I have to see oba me ho nti om say sa national security say hifo na omo ba ho owo bo ase na first pa no wo ye adwuma no for more than 20 years.
Wow, galamsey.
Me that be auto gold. Na no ni India for na ye adwuma.
All right.
Nti ye na chi no abe expert no be in office or ha auto gold di bi.
Okay.
Or on the license or the operating.
All right.
Does it be 3 weeks ni? Na omo te say or na yere na manager ho on the workers a omo muso ko to gold ni ba. Nti amanfo be wura mu omo be wura mu a obo obi din ba me money pa de call for me ka kire wo.
Yo.
A on di omanim. Ono pen nanim da omo ka nyina obi ya cover nanim. Nti omo wura mu no o se sika na ekura that time no. O se be say is it 900,000 or say 1.7 million Ghana cedis.
That's about 17 billion.
Ah, na wo ho at that time na omo de toto si ayi. Do omo ba ho na pe. Ana ke ze no se omo shop ba ko. Na security ba ko be Ghana nti wanti mi ampie. Nti omo ye operation wi ha na omo ba ha. Nti omo ba this side no. Ana omo si sika no we. No si sika ben. Sika no we. No si auto bibi normal oye okwane license bibi ni and they should take their time. Also montie they make
what they asked of was
you am coming scan wo he the one na pena scan na wo ho no almost say scan nyina de go bag him o say mo yen kan o say me fra me ho o man kan sika no according to ono sika no was about 1.something million Ghana cedis o man kan no say o mo che no no mo de ne check am nti no adwen say ombeja ne wife no ewo ho
sure
na according to ono no baabi o ye adwuma no wa to gold a gold bars ni bi wo ha baabi o no obi adwen maso e che seal no baabi according to ono no omu wura ho omu bi say gold no si gold bi ani ha je omu di kan che ono sheka no e na e ka oba no ho nti owo hu so oba no so omu de ye good inside abeto card no si gold no say ba ko de nsa fast no wayi ono wa o say akoni so TikTok do gina wa happen on nsa fast no yi gold no ha be me kan nipa ne boa me so me boa just Sunday ye oba na me ne di nkomo nti me ka say onya abotere e kwa animu a na say o man fa amana then now no ye be ko abampa yimfo ye nim omo say this is what these people are doing nti mo mi so omo ha the radio nti gold na according to ono no o ka kire omo say gold bi ani ho nti girl no aye ne yere no ne yere nka say me na through me no nya say oba na ware no oba na follow me transformation see now is a very good guy on pen honsem on pen what o pe yere ware na me introduce the gay and the man
Allah wallahi
they through me no want no me
we dem we
transformation
connected
also people who
connected
mate o ti nim guy no pa me nim on like I know them very well
yeah
they are very religious people
go
very religious nipa make who na very humble man na yere be kan ho ka enu no ena o bi say gold no way no say ba ko no fa so ho wa hu hwe no dey say fa chire say na oyi ba ko nto ma yi gold ni nyina ha be make obo am say me bo abet oni ntro nchire me nti oba ne bet na no kan gold no say o ma yi do some do mu firi ho a na o do o call police station e wa around ho nti o mo call ye no ana o mo ko twere ayi ana o mo kan sika no so mo kan ye no sika o na dwen say be say 1.5 million no sika e wo we no so no mo say o mo twere 900,000 something ha they make with them boa nipa na boa me say me boa but this person I don't think that he will lie identity no sir sika zenga minim zenga wa ba ha be fa ade wa ha no emra kwan no
I was say kan sika
na ye kan sika no na obi ehu ne dodo
sure
de ehu ne dodo wie na wo de komra mu a eno mahu ba o say o mama kan sika no ewo adwuma mu ho o mo de o mo she ka mu and according to the yere no gold na wato na o maye no
e wo soro
no o de ta fa ho do say on say the AC no ha na AC na pompam ho no sili ne so do mo twa ke say wonnim say bibi wo ha hu nti we am ni to bi na ama tip of say
there should be a tip of
sa o de nza fa ho e na oyiye nti also mo call first police station no sir this is not the money away you know nzo mo twa mo de be call police station mo da ho de call no say no sika no on buy ko mo nkan no man pena man nkan but I said obi ejojo no nti o mo ntie de oka de o mo de ni firi ho wiye ye e na mo san de so mo de o mo ba nkan so bibi sa nti o mo ba ya sika no o mo de be beja the second police station no na swate Oya TBS bibi no I say the Honda police ni say sika na ese no sika na nkasa na o mefa o me ho no o ma me yan kan sika no o ma me yan kan ena ye bedu first point na de o mo twe o ho na ye kan o ho no eno kura no endru de wo ha no the was police ni no ma mo san free ni pa na ba say sika na wa twe wo form so was abrante na san o so ma na san ye obi a ye fa sika na yan kan by omo abeduru second one ni wie no omo kan ye no o ma na san ye because police be chewa ma san yan ngeto wo giant one way no omo kakambu so a wontim ya hwe he signed until the second police station no ono kan kire omo say even first e na ko no hwe sika na omo atwere wo say no na omo de ye no nti ho no mu say sika na omo atwere ahye we so say be say 9 something no o kan a enduru nza police ni na aba ni nsem for the second time na e ka say sika na akan ma ye na we no entally nti o say man say na bia na counting mistake na buy because sika ni na no ha se ni pa ne boa me boa ore e ka say wi a se mi free ha wi a maza mi free ha wi a me free di pa no na but this na kasa onye nkasa
yeah na
nti ade o se be say 3 weeks ni nti e chire ya o me de bank na ha na ka wa be bo because as ya chew nti so free lawyer we ofre we nti e ho na o kan chire police ni say gold and kasa o mo fire no o mo you know my sign bibia ni say gold ba no say na ni gold ni na oba ni o ma fa gold no sika dan kasa na onu ni say be say 1.5 million say no de o ma twere wo so na be say 900 no ko say no a chire ko aso asen ate anti we no no wako site na wako ye we no are you really helping the government to do the right thing? And as a who take advantage say abane say o memo bi anye galamsey ntino moko site bi whatever is there you want to go and grab it to oba me ho no he came to me because him say me nim painful be na yeah say see here no o say mba so mo ke say obi bia na the lines say we no nya botere kakra say because I say new government no mo ye ntoto ye bi nti renew na enya maye ntino o mpesa obekọ ka ho asem bia because okoye hehe o ya na ya renew gra ma so I told him say twen na ma renew na mra renew na ba wie. Then we go back to the people say this is what happened. So physically no try come as in be we na o man kan no kura wo mu a o anamu bi ape bia na wo de tu. Yes, because emi ma ye madwuma menim say benya kronfo madwuma me ye no mi kura me lancer me ye adwuma aban ne say memma obi anto gold apart from say gold board but so na no mo area on the gold mo de baba mo nton ma abrofo say boni mi pe bia then gold board for any sika no ebeto ha na omo de many panel say na omo say government no this year but why say you go to the Galamsey side among for mo ye adwuma wo ho no owura obi da mu ko fa ni sika wo na mo ne tena sen kan sika no na ma twra to
na you see once who kase nyina ma ye din it has been the complaint of aye womo ye Galamsey no
sa wo hu
omo kyra say police ana say national security operatives and whoever ever side to be chire omo a womo agudie kakra obonya no
no
masesa any scanner sometimes they get missing. It is a complaint they have been making.
Oh, media make a Sunday year na nipa ne ba manimu a obeka just all kako osu.
It is a complaint they have been making.
O say amanfo sika na e wo no ho be 30 billion e bi na da ho no e na odi bi ato gold e na ono aso ni won gold be say 1 kilo da ho ni nyina. They say o say na nipa me do omo ka omo twem na mintimu nka nkyere nkrofo because I say me kan wan hwe na me nsan ka me license ni bio. So I advise him say take your time. Mpayinfo no mo wo ho no some of us ye ni bi nim di nkomo. Unya license ni we are. We'll go back there. Time for no best operation. No, they should be able to provide your money for you. But young guy, all can in osu. Or say what the cabinet 30 billion Ghana cedis. I mean all cedis. As they say, among Fusika, we say gold, no, obi yeah. Almost no want to be that man and on one see what the secret to be no. Everything is gone. The Galamsey now open stop you know. You can't stop with these kind of things. And unfortunately, over here, paying for na they don't even know what is happening. Once more, be no site, the person will go and mess up things, and they'll be no be about this guy. No, I said, nah, these people, as more can make can't also, or can buy 1 million times. I said, these people, no, I can't wear, you know, or can ya, I'm today. na nya bote na won san kan alliances na nsa o say me manim ni na nkofo na packet sika no sika am go kan ho minutes kan me dia me na me some boys no double of that money na o mo tweto ho no ba o meje no o man kan o ma sisa bom and go nti a kire ya o say o ka say the gold no o say e ba ye bi o say gold bi ani ho
o mo dey are no
and am pass also kan because say they say e even so okura o she police atade mpo na ura me office na say gold no wa here say o firi one for one and be a man na bi ka make am robber made me so I had every right to lie say me ni gold bi a o ha o say e ba o say ni gold bi a o why you claim say o gold o I no say gold no e she soro ho seal ni so ba bi a ni AC ni she nti o mo che ni ko she ka na dwen say oba ne de be wo ho nti no nka oba ne be hwe nti a kire ya oba no o mo de na be kan no wo ka anu mu no ana obi so oba ne say because no say ba ko de say fa so wa yi ni nyina ha by them no can say gold be any nti no mo police station say what say gold be any o na say gold no dey na say gold o so why will people do this
na entina sometimes na obi wu
o da we dey ma catch boy and say we me donyame about you me you
Jana
David, to be, let me be sincere with you.
Sure.
This guy, I know him for more than 25 years.
Really?
He is a very religious person. He's somebody who will never cheat for one Ghana. And he's been doing this work for more than 20-something years. Now one day, something he has been doing on the lines of the year, Juma. Yes, more operations at the Monomano. Now at the end of the day, it's got more far. And I didn't know you say no more. What are you doing here? How are you doing here? Some of these things, you know.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Nyame.
Yes.
Nyankopon kwa say boni so tumi dwefo no de wakɔhyɛ hɔ. Nti no obi sika de yɛmfa ɛmfa yɛ hu ndi saa. Me na me yɛ sure say ebi ɔmo ka asɛm nyina awie a ɔmo say o sika ni. We ne be fire nti bi agye o sika. Na ebi a gold ze fire ni gye. Na nipa ni mpefe say gold na ɔmo fa ma sika na ma ma no. Nti according to ɔno no lawyer bi ɔfa no ɛna ɔne ɔba hɔ de ɔne police no na say mo kai say ɔmo kɔyɛ obi say no me see what chile. Don't have BBC say hold on. This guy was telling me say no lawyer no catch the police in na te ho no say mo kai say mami bi sika say mu hu de si wa ha. Na nyam na me kan see no ye. So he came to me and I'm saying ambotre. Take your time. Na me say bi a the end of the day no mo do no mo nyina. Yes ade a say ni ba obefa ade no. Nipa no say o finance or the kono bi kwa me kan fan ko ma ban. Ono aye fa ko na bibi sa. Say na e to na o de to na bunya fo nyina akoko si ase.
Abusiafo SOMPA 106.5 FM. Brasso I be lines na tum 0260-196064 0260-196065 for God and country. So that who asugusu uti baby obiaro Nana Gianna Bakope Owaha. He's a born leader, and of course, when it comes to issues of national concern, he has a stake in it. He says what he thinks, or he says his mind. Let me put it that way. I want you to join the conversation now, either on Facebook or via our numbers. But Nana, yeah, have a quick bite on the 24-hour economy. So, or the is it 8 or 10 pillars? Biaba. Grow Ghana, then Ghana, then Charlie, look out for the story for me.
There's a way I find it to me, I expand it, and I'll be extending the now 6 the following day and about 4 a.m. It means that if I don't commit myself, I want to find out for women in 6. I know my best after 6 and I got previous number all the way to the following morning and the police say another 4. It means that on my no etimi akonanim. Okay? And ya no kwaya so many other institutions or how much more no. nka sesi bokwa nka amanfo person mkoko ya ade wo but enams of my point what do you do o ko say Dubai no na yi at time even 10 p.m. you go and see a bank is still be operating and I 10 o ko bet mako bank and I do 11 bank because they are still working by high the nyabo 5 for apa because the bank na po
na sakabio
nti no say there's a way aban betimi aye na why expand it and I extend the time and no that would be a very great thing but the thing is say who say matro say aban say spend 4 billion or
yeah 4 billion
still that's dollars so nti no the thing is say bia na no more mo be hia o mo de be hihya ase no eno na yesika o be hia no menim say adwuma bia na aban ye wa ha no sika wo mu so obi ekwaje ne passport otuaka aname wa
yeah
nti no it means that say yes spend sika na yetimi de abie mu say be amanfo o mo je o passport anka before no ye pon 5 no e be call the following morning it means that eno to the sika be bam nti if that is going to be the cost definitely no enya ka hunu e sika eno so de mfaso be den e be ba so ye wono bi o ha anadwo wontimi nye Ghana hey I have been saying this all the time so mo ye construction kwan na omo ye na senga bi nko mo ye one lane and say no my second lane omo kan nyina de bom no my ombe ye adwuma from Monday all the way to Friday Saturday Sunday na kwan no so adwo no omo nya adwuma dem make what say construction no omo ye no a big disappointment a big inconvenience for the drivers on the road
na better make am asem Wednesday no kwara.
And the kwan na oye na nkasa no people are suffering so much on the road from Monday to Friday na kwan so busy no mo so ye adwuma edu Saturday and Sunday ya omo nya adwuma nti be bisa ho say denti ena nka mo be ye adwuma kwan nka time kwan so ye less busy no that's the best time nti construction for the kura ban no mo nye 24 hours and 10 from best 7 8 ni kwan so less busy no that's the time mo betim kwa ye adwuma ba obekọ kwan no so no mo ye adwuma e bo 5 no mapom nti anadwo akwan no so ye free anka o betim ye o mo construction no they don't work minim de ko de say o mo ka say bia mo se mo pekwan ye so be ye kwan na mo so mo bebre erinti no ye kwan mo e ba mo brass na kwan ye ya say enye sa dia I don't get it
eti dada ye hwe the various thematic areas are binding their aba one or see grow 24. This focuses on transforming the agricultural sector through technology-driven, climate-smart practices that allow for round-the-clock production and value addition. It aims to ensure food security and reduce post-harvest losses.
So the better say, normal afumu die. Yentimi nya adwuma wo hanajo.
Sure.
But mo ye greenhouse no say normal no. They can still be working in the night. And most importantly no, as a manufacturing companies are or mobile manufacture normally if you move no. They must say tomatoes na ye wo ha. And adwuni na ye adwuma. It means that no matter the raw material to don e ba na ye betimi manage.
Okay, so because of that no so one thematic area no make 24. Under this pillar the government would prioritize industrialization and manufacturing, promoting 24-hour operations in factories and processing zones to increase output, exports, and employment.
That is it. You know, say, Niabana be go say oko yinkura ase a. Eno mani nyina ase egu nwirem. Because number one, na kwan nye. The abana di we ba no, e so focus on attention more on roots.
Oh, roots.
Because you see, as a tomatoes no ya tete na egu nwirem ba nche na yatu na egu nwirem na say kan timi ko fa ma. Raw material and feed machines now.
So, Nana, that brings us to Build 24. This involves boosting construction and infrastructure development.
Good.
With support for continuous building schedules on public and private projects and decent housing in the country.
That's a great thing. It is a buying up as 24-hour economy now. One of the things in focus on construction is routes. Because roads in your care and a double because we are Ghana Hanka ye and Casan Equation. Until Western new routes in okay. Raw materials in between my factories will be an omitting. I think the government have it in the policy, so it's a great idea.
Also, every night you would come on and catch and say Ghana had in acquire
79,000 kilometers. 78,000 something. Okay. By an American run up 79,000 kilometers. Yeah. And only 16% penna air tight.
Only 16% air tight.
Yes. Yes. About 60 something thousand kilometers nyinaa yɛ on tide road. Obviously, I walk with open matter here. Uko go type say how many kilometers now Ghana higher tide. Ube who is here? You say,
Charlie, and Ghana we still have a long way to go.
79,000 kilometers of road, you know. Ghana di nyina no. Only 15 point something.
Do up.
Me na right na be
16%.
Percent na air tide.
Air tide.
Ya ka nyina ye monchimonka. Na mbombo di say aye na kra na say nya papa. Odi na mu ade tutu rough za. Still man no 24-hour economy na. On for roads in Kahun. Ehia pa because roads come on na be man no matimi akoyi because see. So be kwa adwuma. Na so do adwuma ba be say 8. Kwan na enye na traffic intene so free be say 4 am. To free kaso na e ba yi a. Wan so den tem be late. Intene be traffic mu a be do adwuma already wa bre. Na wa be tena adwuma mu so no. Opon na okofi opon be say 5 a. Obedu fie traffic obedi man sa na wadu fie no. The next day no ontimi nye productive because wa bre. So the more now we are kwan no ebe my 24-hour economy na timi aye adwuma pa aye. And I think say all of us ye private adwuma no. Ye be sha say ye be bi. Because ko dumasu ya time na ye program no. Na ye block say na ye hwe 24 hours. Ebi no ba no pa o mutwa kopema nwum na be say 4 na ebi be to so ya ma de achi.
Oh dumasu ya
yes.
Whoa.
Ntini ye twa block say na wi etimi 10,000. E dey need to get 17,000 because ye wi ene na jo ka ho. Ntino omo ye block factory ni na say security wo krom na light wo krom fire. Why not? Obi a be try say obi timi ye bia na be boa ma economy na timi anyi. But there are few points are buying eso ye. Number 1, eso hu say kwan no ye. No omo security mra krom. Because I say you know the bank be empon tem na akronfo ko attack back wa. Omo mbasa omo dey private ones so say they will feel said I don't want to do again. Do make sure that na dwono security wo krom na cameras abayi omo bo baby ya say baby ni ombetimi a che nkrofo ntentem na intimi encourage nkrofo say oh adena na dwode bet oh why we very safe. It is abanya adwuma e bia nipa 100 na wo ho no omo ye adwuma no pa 8 to 5 so baba ye kopema o channel pa obetimi pa 50 aka ho ana mboa ntini means there before no ka 100 but so the 50 na aka ho ntini pa do no mo so mo nya adwuma nye no obenya adwuma ye na
say we in the crowd they are talking about 3 shift system. Yes, so for the first 8 hours, you know, then another 8 hours. Then another 8 hours.
Wow, not quite 24.
24 hours in a day.
Great. It means that a Juma, a funny per hundred is here. So we hear another 2 setter. Ebi unko here 100 because ebi e kwa na dwono entity we are but at least we hear another be about 80. I bet just 2 shifts like 40. I bet me it's good no. So at the end of the day no nipa do benya adwuma ye.
Banana ye ka akwan ho asami. Menim say sa amasa mind to a friend say. It's akro na o. Nsawom
awurade. So say when I say
Nana Kafra.
Me ye adwuma ho. Enra madam will be free enra me adwuma no madam will be free Cape Coast eba me ho.
Yeah.
Obo na me na mase akoba. Kana so be na bako. Osire na kwa be ni okasa ya na mse sa na tie na traffic bia obetimi adimu no obetimi adimu tu enra me pon adwuma me ba no ena se me dan fa kwa na se me twen ama trotro fo no omno munim road omunim ba obetimi maniva fa nti trotro akọ bedi me na me di na chi edi na chi ya nti sa ya ba bi kwan no ka bi so eba they say ye bofo mentamu ba bi ye di ho be 1 hour 30 minutes ena kwan ka ye no nka potos ba na nka ma feel mu kakra we say the potos e manhole ena di dem bebre and nti haka clear years ago the best 15-20 minutes the best 2 hours obi onim no eye poku ase to nsawom kwan na eken eye too bad
eye too terrible
obi bia na ote nsawom a no ade ne car ba adwuma no ye be wie kwan we yi otoka na twene
okay na asama na me ka terrible you not to car
obi bia o be say obi bia ote nsawom a o ba adwuma okurum da bia na kwan we so no ye be wie kwan yi o car na kopaka foforo because terrible bia menim payinfo mu supervisor omonko hwe de ekoso ho no omuguso mu ye adwuma you can see them say the workers are there baba bia omo pese car sefa no at least omo level kakra open enya sangatu o nti wo ye bia o use saloon na kofa ha wo I'm telling you say me kofa am say cars we need type we no wonam ta kwan so a enye nti me na me Kind. Wakuma.
Bibi say wo I had.
That's it. None me be say na Monday no me Tuesday me ba no. Na STC di manim. Na wa lock it.
Oh,
STC. Wa lock it. And akwan ketua bi na da ho. The traffic no achia ko the best 1 mile away. They are saying na say you trying to walk no. So what cameras or who was sense or betimi a no afa wuram. Na kakra saa de tim fa STC no. They are chile mo so mama trailer ni bi. Na ene sisi ho. Na ma hu so mba se o twe ni. Ke se amena bi wo kwan yi so. And among the more train me try my buy. I'm thinking say I'm paying for now. Say road ministry no. Maybe they are not paying attention. What they can do is say at least among coffers so here. Are there in fact the Juma work is still going because who say omo year Juma all the time.
But the progress of progress of work on that road they are
very slow. Among try na among levels kakra man for among national mo honto kakra. Because too bad. Too bad on that road. Me say me for every Tuesday be me come Monday, na ma Tuesday, na ma call Wednesday, na ma Thursday, 4 days I'm fast all.
Nana Kafra. Abusia ya kwa line also 0260196064 0260196065. Nana Jana Elfie ha. Ope o assembly episode bisano. The conversation so far I'd rather we've dealt with that issue. And then the issue of Galamsey, we've also spoken much about that one too. And now the issue of the 24-hour economy. What do you make of the conversation? You can call us now, 0260-196064, 0260-196065. So, Nana, you're trying to for the day. Quickly, you share a year.
But I can't say be answer what was.
Okay, Nana, Patrol.
You be complaining, they be chilling me. Social welfare for. So obi kɔ na ɔkwakɔ adopt akra se bi nyame obi ho nyame ato ne nsɛm wo sika but wanya yefu na ngoba na ɔkɔ sɛ ɔkwakɔ adopt akra se de mu se twi nipa mu no obi ɔno ebi ne maame akɔto na kana bonten ba ebi kwa muntim hwɛ ne yi na obi asika wɔ ne nsɛm na nipa no wo be the whole process ni nyina wie nem the last form bi obi be san ama na watimi di akɔ woman is making no or the akwani din aka ne nkrata ho wa buruchira e ze senka akwani ho mbema no UK mbema the passport.
All right.
Akwani wo Ghana ha ya aka se mbema the documentation for 5 years ni. Ne nsankan nti akwani no wa yi no de na free orphanage home ho. Akwani se wa panyin kakra. Nti ono na ma obi hwa akwani wo Ghana ha. Ba se benya document no na watimi di akwani kwa buruchi no onya omo ya akọ say o form ni nyina ya ndi ko pepper bra na akọ ho ka na akọ ya nti ko do last point e be da ho be 2 3 4 5 months on to ntinga na ha o ti aburuchire nti na o frame o say obeso oba ba oni o mkasa o say the documents ni ndi oba gi okosan ba biu 5 years ni 5 years obi nyame ato ni nsam na ankora o mo bra de o mu di ko e den ma o mo na o doctor akwanjira kwa aburucha change in future no nipa ba ko bi ti wasika o pa bi nti o mfa ma na on sign. Me catch and say me quite this one. I will talk about this matter. Mami I make me kasa a few days ago. Akra no we you fi orphanage ho. Nkrata ye be say amane keke no. O se obo hu card na say 5 years ni. Na no your friend a lawyer no. O se like offer lawyer na fa biu. Because afono no. O ma di akire nkrata no ye mfa ma no. And this is not the first one. Woman ba ko. Ono so oyesa o mo sorry gesi bi. Nti de omde ye no oye bibini o but ne ba no mze wo de broni squam na ye nti akwa na broni na no be ye bibia nti ono tena bruchi wa nti tam be so na oba ne ba be wo ha no na oba ye o mai bibia wi nse sorogezi wa mo ye nti oye bibia wi waje ne ba akasa ye be ye nkrata ama na ma metina akwa na kwa bruchi no wa tena more than 2 years ni o mo nye nkrata na ma no because ese ni din eko bibia so se be ya okwa bruchi no bi nye nkrata so omo social welfare no minim sa man for mate wono munye bibi ni na ya omoda omo hwe because obi fine on say am go take advantage you say uncle fa obi back you no come multitude no ntin yes due diligence okay but why do you stretch people after they have paid so much money o ma gisika gia odu o say o mo so nkata na yehun ti koye foforo
just like that
I'm telling you woman say because make us obetie ya o say 5 years ni wa fa obi a ɔhwɛ akora no da bio send omu sika time aso I think akora no wa buruchira nka yama ne nkrata ba document obenya na watimi akora na kɔ no onyan
Nana Maminka messages kakra of Facebook. Community mining started from the previous government, which was the best. But this one I can't say. But this would not continue community mining, which is the best. They are giving the land to non-account to destroy the land and rivers. This one is a bit harsh. When NPP was in power, it was business as usual without any problem. Share. Fire. King Nanaba Kwatin says that I wish you should be president of Ghana someday to come.
Me qualified.
We are qualified. We are more than qualified. Michael Kofi Opey Kumi says that it's not only about the 24 hours, but also about accountability and productivity. People would go and not work expecting to be paid at the end of the month.
Yeah, and the fact is, I saw my name in Nico. Omo ye wi obekodu kura the phone wa adwumom. Aburuchire untimi mfa phone. Nti obi kura ho na bia o ka se bia na me frota mben. Now the nation ba bia e adwuma time a. Oboto onye kasa wo se echo wa achire. O se na ma be she bathroom.
Oh.
Untimi mfa phone yakọ ye be yi wadi. Ba ha be ko nurse ni to no kura phone na nada so. Na ba na waka na obirisi o se ko pe mi tena. O jam na bobo sisi afi na ade ba be ha ye pe mi tena na nwe o. O fa na phone ni kura na woni pembo obi ya nka nanim
na na hardware. Zach say Ghanaian roads or the roads in Ghana are death traps.
Yeah, no correct.
What do you? Those security people who went to effect the arrest, it's only money they want. Messages there also I can't go through all messages be brave. Another transformation for them who are the power.
Yeah, who are in your world?
The whole
world, the past Facebook group strong say they been whole. Some group by a team.
Now, virtually, what do you do? Transformation for?
See, like the name implies, we try say Adibia na wo yewa brabom na say what me transforming. But positive transformation. Say obetra no nkasa wa namo awutu abraba obo no ebetimi asesa. Say the beya wo betimi asesa front your greetings okasa transformation na. Now I say we transform ourselves to transform people.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
Nti say the beya wo betimi asesa na wo asesa afoforo.
Good afternoon, Nana. I've been trying to reach you. Please, how can I reach you? Obeng.
Uncle Sonon Flo Benjamin.
Messages no wait me here ma do. Be feeding na be checking messages no and them boa bit. If you have any way of letting me read the messages, I can bet you boa bit. So let's see. There are lots of messages that we'll have to read before we let Lada go. But Lada, maybe I can say, in fact, Yami boss no go. We can say, Minyawaye musio but me Yami tia kana Minyawaye.
I see.
So people saw joining transformation.
Oh yeah, open joining transformation. I call Facebook.
Yeah.
Now what type of transformations?
Yeah.
You follow me, the last time I checked, near best 182,000.
Whoa.
The Indian American follow me, because Obekolobia will be a creative fake one be or no.
Yeah.
Until Oko transformation, more than 180,000 people following now.
Okay.
Obe your WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Now I click it was until maybe I'll be office for your uncle for her. They respond to messages. Now you see any registration down hold kakra.
Okay.
First the manual registration, but see online registration. Very soon, be ready now. People can just use the link to join. Because join here, my ID card, you have information. Because I am a forecast the members until you hear or real date of birth, or real name. And
wow, that's amazing. Now, Nana, Sunyan Dumesia festival, who's some name?
They say, and they can make a team no Sunyan CCA. Omo ye program be was Sunyani. say one of the MPs in Sunyani East MP no.
Yeah.
We organize the program bi on team no, do my first team no.
Yeah.
So the way omo event no na yentimum pick some few things fan join here. Then tinya meboa 2nd, 3rd, and 4th of January 2026. And ebe Duma Fest. Duma Fest, Duma Suya Festival no. Nti for now na dey train Mama, because what they I saw mom yes how more any drinks and there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but do na because within those 3 days, ube di gassing baby within the year.
Wow.
Because they had 50,000 about room. Now coke na oton Fanta, now oton gin oton beer. Just imagine ni pa do and I be nsuo na whatever. That's 50,000. 3 days. You can just imagine ni pa do beto nsuo anom. Nti obi bia na o company bi o person o be partner with us no. Please you can just come na ya kire o de obi timi aye. Na yen fa onka your sponsors no ho. The team no so yan see here o mo some survey any all that. Say ye ma o mo be see stage amaye no. Ye de o mo koye. O ma ko kire ye be hia stage mienu for all the 3 days no. O mo gusu a o mo ye ho no ma sa nti we hope say ye benya more sponsors na Duma Fest 2026 no. Ayekra said they kwawo every year, and that's what we want to do. So every year be on the first Sunday of the year, and then the main program. No, so 2026, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th January 2026, Duma Fest. The company be now per se obe partner with us because ebe benefit to be nipa e de bakru no mu edoso. Now ba na ya chite do bit my support in so ya support my company na grow.
Na sa no maybe o ha obi person obe support mo a obetimi afresi so ana
pacho your number obetimi afresi so say in case e be a person ofre say Duma Fest for person me nemo ebodjuma 2026 ya number obetimi afre no ye 0541 915 450 0541 915 450 dini George. Do not say George in Pacho Duma Fest and me best sponsor be. No better what you can do.
All right. Okay, Maminko Facebook na minka some of the messages. We need to do better in Ghana. It's a beautiful country, says Stephen Yadom. And then Enoch Yao Amwa Berima says that public and government workers are not serious. He talks about something attitudes. And then Rosina Brown says that Nana should be the advisor to the president of Ghana. Okay, that is what she says. And then Isaac Kunedu Ajiman says that thank you for the good advice that day. That's an amazing one. And then Stephen Yadom, birthday. There's a birthday. There's a man. How is the going? Believe the going is very fine. That is the response we can just give to you. Matilda from Poma says that adoption part in Ghana is all about pay this. That.
So what try be that no.
What try be that no. So good evening, Daddy. We are watching you. And Anako says we transform ourselves, we transform people. It's our motto. And Stephen Yadom says that it's going great. Thanks for asking. And then Stephen Yadom says that Prabu is a great man. And then Enoch Yao Amwa Berima, may enlightenment find all public sector workers in their act of attitude towards government work. I don't care. No doors or the door. That one. And
very important.
Nana Kojo says that AYEBIAFO JNANA is our precious gift for the universe, especially Ghana. All right. So thank you very much. And then Eden Marty says that my question for Nana: who exactly is to blame for the country not doing well? Is it the politicians or the citizens? My answer is the citizens are the ones to blame because they are so partisan. No matter how bad the party is doing, they will still vote for them. Wow, that's an amazing one. Enoch Yao Amwa Berima again says that God bless you more, Nana Jana. And then Obapa May, Nana, I like your hats. Oh, Nana, somebody's commenting on your hats.
Thank you very much.
And then Nana Kojo says that Nana AYEBIAFO JNANA, we love and appreciate you so much. And then, okay, so that's it. And then somebody talks about Duma Fest. Come down there. Okay. Fred Autry, Duma First, and of course Smith Ajman watching you live from Community 33 Tema. So Nana, you the Ebane what's the make to?
The American church when is Galamsey idea that makoma super because me science kakranti minim the mercury mani nipaduano. Sa led the mercury na ekoko asase mu no. Ewuramu a etimu di best 100 years name free. And I are poisonous for our body. Nti Galamsey na ekoso yina ye hunu se ebe affect ye nyina one day. Even though ye pesika e de ahwefie de ye mpe ways and means e bitimi aye na enkofa how pima. And I buy no so the American see you say Galamsey no ntimi ndu ase. What you can do is say try so be replace Galamsey with something similar to it. Obetimi regulating crofo. Na aban be na ni akọ ho. Na mum heads no omum de do ma no. Honor for one year then ko. Because obi etwi excavator na kwachi no bonu play na or china somebody else will go and drive it. But nipa dan kasa the owner no, o je na license free nsem. Now make sure so on my ni bi mu a. No be feelings are pain no. This will be ya there e won the mining site or no be act properly. Nti aban ne ma na ni mere na onkeka omumum na o make sure say emra ya adwuma. The Galamsey ye no e sega na yensuo nyina.
Nana Jana AYEBIAFO AYEBUAFO AYEBIAFO Nana yebeda wase nyame nshira.
Thank you very much.
Next week Friday we are back here with a great conversation.
Thank you.
God bless you so much.
God bless.
Abusiafo Nana Jana na hotel en kano sabre de djumadi no kone wie na ba yenhye no so say me dimafo herbal center Dr. Time Daso me pacho or so asene kese pa abusua so wote ben kan na wie na osisi na ye oya ana oje ho anje yare kwankro na kwetiawa bomodin pa na fa wani kire eye me dimafo herbal center Dr. Time Daso omo no mane 0244778482 na Electroland Ghana Limited mu de mabo adwuma pa de biara da de trase ya wo se dam wase so mu ni ho anka esu ye ni ho na